Do what?
Turn the volume on. It's Mo, Sam O, Kirill, and Alex. Good times in the morning.
Hey, Kay.
Good morning.
Morning. What's up? You're in studio today, and
Call me Sam O.
you look zoomed in. Is that, or is it just kasi dalawa lang tayo? You look, medyo lumaki lang yung screen, so we look a little zoomed in. Welcome to the show, everybody. I apologize that we're late. Sorry, Kay, for keeping you waiting.
That's okay.
It's been all about just picking up the kids from school, taking them to
great.
activities. Yeah, no, it's been amazing. But at the same time, there's just not enough time in the day, working, them going to school, tapos yung mga activities pa nila.
You have
there's
2 jobs.
3 jobs.
3?
2 kids.
Oh, wow.
3 jobs, 2 kids. 2 different activities, completely solo here for the week. So it's been a lot of that. So I apologize for keeping you away. Whoa, you got even more zoomed in. My God. Somebody's happy.
Good morning. I'm very happy because all my pens are here.
I know, it's so funny. So Kay was like, hey, I'm going to go in studio today. I'm like, don't, because it's a short show. I'm late. We're going to be short. Oh, there's Alex. Sweet. What's going on?
Good morning.
Hello, good morning, guys. Good morning.
I'll go.
Morning, Lex. I was like, no, don't go in studio because we are going to have a short show again. I mean, no Sam O. And then she's like, it's okay. I need to get my pens.
Good morning, Amy.
Oh, man.
It's
Good
got
morning,
my
everybody.
name and everything.
Welcome to the show. Does it have everybody's name on there? Or is it
Yeah.
one of those just, what?
Yep. Kuya Alex, did you get yours? Marang Maras is here also.
May bibigyan ako ng pang giveaway sa early bird. 50 pens to give away sa first 50 ng bawat venue. Salamat
Look.
kay Mimi ng Pilot Pen.
Look what difference it makes if you have it in your outfit. Make you look smarter. Do you want an autograph? Let me just get my pilot pen.
It's because nobody uses, everybody uses like the digital stuff, right? And not a lot of people use kind of the old school. I mean, obviously, it's still a very big part of business and school and all that, but you don't walk around with them anymore in your pocket. So it used to be where if you had glasses, that made you look smarter. Now the pen. If you have a pen
On you, no?
your pocket, yeah, now you look smarter. That's the ultimate.
Look at that.
Oh, no, linawin ko lang. Ibig sabihin yung first 50 na pupunta sa venue para masana yung mga taong pumunta ng maaga will get a pen. So first 50, ha?
What
Now,
time
where's
does
this, Lex? What are you talking about? Which
The birthday show,
The first
sabi ng
one?
Pilot Pen, we're gonna give away 50 pens sa first 15 darating.
is this the one with all our names on it?
Hindi, Alex Caldiel lang.
Sorry.
Kasi ayokong dalhin sa birthday show ko yung special natin. Ano yun. Para yan sa ibang mga shows. Para sa ibang mga shows yan na gagawin natin.
Oh my God, this one's got red, green, blue, black.
Yeah. I love, by the way, that you love pens, Kay. It is that and paper and all of that. I do love that. You're super into it. So, good stuff.
Talking about pens, mula nung binigyan ako ng Pilot, nagsusulat ako ng jokes ngayon ng pen. And it's parang mas better. Kasi tiyatanda ko lang sa cellphone ko ngayon, sinusulat ko. Mas maano siya. Mas nadadagdag ako ng
I hate writing notes. I hate writing notes on my phone. Like that when it comes to notes, creative stuff, Kay, I don't know if you feel the same way. Like, I'm not a songwriter, but I can't imagine myself if were going to write a song to put it on my phone. There's just something I think, and I know it's funny because I'm so pro-tech and I'm always like, rarely ever going to kind of old school stuff, but I could not write down notes for the show on a phone. It would either be written down like on a computer or definitely on paper and pen, which is generally what I do anyway for this stuff. So, studying, when I study for quizzes, exams, anything like that, certifications, even these days, I find writing them down is a great way for me to keep them in my memory than just sitting there and kind of reading off of it. So I am definitely still using a lot of them. Not as much as Kay does. Kay, like, look, she came to the studio just for it, which is really, really
That's a lot of pens.
Christmas morning for her. Rest of you, it's a Thursday morning. Thanks for hanging out with us wherever you are around the world. We're on we're on live streaming. Playback.tv/good times on the radio on Magic 899 or Magic 89.9, however you want to say it. But no phone calls yet because even though Kay's in studio,
There's a phone right here.
Do you know how to put it on?
No.
No, thank you.
Nagpunta ako dyan, promise.
I just press it. Kuya Mel is here. You can press
You
it.
can. Yeah, we'll see. But we have a short showing today. I have to take my daughter to her
Magic, hello.
Hands now landlines.
Hanggang ano oras ka mo?
If you guys want to stay, please do. Please do.
Sige, mag-stay kami para sa mga tao.
Amsterdam, yeah, please. That would be awesome. Amsterdam has her gymnastics practice at 8 a.m. So kailangan ko lang umalis.
Kausapin ko ngayon si Amsterdam. Baka mamaya, hindi naman niya alam tong ganito. Yung pala, no. Daddy I was okay. I was at home. Saan pupunta yung daddy mo raw na hinatid ka? I don't know.
You're the buddy.
I don't know.
Ginamit yung
Tataka nga ako, lagi siyang may kwelyo ngayon.
Ay, you're
Nakakausap ko
right.
talaga.
Are we a little too...
Sabi ni Amsterdam.
What's the age?
What's with the hair with my dad? The hair, ha? Sabi niya. Okay, go.
Akala ko yung kwelyo dahil sa chikinini. Because, you know...
Hindi.
you-
Oh my God.
Pag may kwelyo ka, formal yan. Pag malakasan yan.
You just
Sa
want
yung
to
mga ganyan, yung mga ganyan dulo ng mga paano mo, yung mga pa-bicep mo. Mga ganyan.
No. This is because I am insecure that you guys are making so much attention about. I just came from work, so now, like, usually if I wear a T-shirt or a hat, I'm not covering up. I'm covering up like this because I'm reading the chat room, and when people make a comment about my looks, I get very insecure, and I just kind of shrivel up here like a thing. I don't like being stared at like that.
Ano bang gamit mo ngayon? Hair product?
This is whatever it was sa work. Gosh, what do I use?
Whatever it was sa work. Nasa airlines ka, may nagkalat na hair product.
Hindi naman ako nasa airlines. I work at an airport.
Nasa airport ka, pero wala may product, may hair product doon.
No, I mean, whatever it was in the morning that nandito si, I even really don't know. I mean, come on, I start work at 3:45 in the morning. I'm awake 3:45.
so early.
The last thing I'm doing is checking, ano ba yung cologne ko? It's very, very difficult, especially when you wake up, when you sleep at midnight or 11 p.m. Sometimes when we finish the podcast, umabot na ako ng 11 p.m. with all the editing and all of that stuff. So from 11 to 3, it's just the least, trust me, the last thing I do is care about my looks at an airport. Especially when I'm on, like, I'm just...
Bagay sa'yo maroon, ha? Bagay sa'yo maroon, ha?
Thank you. Appreciate it. Can we stop talking about me? That'd be great.
Sabi, siyempre, mapansin kita eh. Dito na naman tayo nag-uusap-usap sa
I know.
sa Zoom.
Not the looks.
Ganda pa ng iba dating mo ngayon, pare.
We have songs to play. We have...
Yung Selbo ka na slash Matt Damon. Ganun
Yeah.
datingan mo ngayon, pare.
Naks, Matt Damon. We're playing, the next song is Beautiful Man by Jose Marie Chan. It's Chris. You don't
I
know.
like when we put all the compliments about beauty towards you. So let's go
No.
redirect any of this attention.
No, you
and
can have it
over
today.
So can we update everybody because we're on a radio show and we should-
Anong gusto mo i-update mo? Anong gusto mo update? Ano gusto mo?
about your little text message exchange yesterday.
Okay na yun. Medyo, huwag na muna natin nilabas siya dahil huwag na muna, i-surprise natin sila.
Talk a little bit about your text message.
Pag dumating ka na, problema mo na yun.
Hindi nga sa dating kung hindi nga confirmed. yung ano sinabi ni Alex.
Gulo-gulo mo. Ginugulo mo yung life
Dito
namin.
natapos tong show sa 6 to 9.
alright.
Tuloy-tuloy tong show hanggang alas 4 ng hapon.
This is all. Can I at least just say this? So, and kinilig ako. I'm honest.
Oh
Kinilig
my
ako.
God.
And this has nothing to do with UK. It has nothing to do with UK. Zero.
Great.
So Alex texted a certain person.
Oh my God. The Lord.
Just confirming if it's possible.
I'm gonna read. Let me read it. Again, Kay, this has nothing to do with you.
Okay. It's
as
just about-
obvious.
It's just
Para
about
masagot
you.
na rin, para masagot na rin, ako talaga ang close friend.
Yeah,
Ako talaga ang tinitext. Okay?
I'm going to talk about myself here. I know I said I wanted the attention away, but can I just do this one? So Alex, si Mara. Oh, si Mara. Mara's like, there's Family Feud in the Philippines. And then Googled it and then screenshot the Google and sent it to us. Now, okay, anyway, so Alex sends a message and says that we were interested. And the first line that he responds with is, aba, uuwi si Mohan. He used my whole name and I was so kilig.
So, uuwi ka.
When he calls me
Ganun
that,
ba ka-close? Ganun ba ka-close niya, no?
no. I don't even have his cell phone number.
Ah.
So to call me by my whole name,
Mm.
I was tickled fancy, okay? I love him now.
That's good.
Di ba? Mohan.
He said, uy, uuwi si Mohan with a question mark. Like he was anticipating it.
Kahit nasa ibang bansa siya,
Mhm.
mahal yung text na yun.
Exactly.
Oo.
So I was
Yeah.
whole name. It's like you say, so kamusta Alexander? Anong middle name mo ulit? What's your middle name?
Victor.
Alexander Graham.
Alexander Victor. Kamusta? And I was like,
Alexander Victor with a C.
Tawag lang niya ako, bro. Di ba, bro?
yeah. Said,
Sabi
bro,
hindi matandaan yung pangalan ko.
said, bro, nasa Milan ako ngayon. And sabi, aba. Uuwi si Mohan. I'm like, just saying. Kaya
Doon ako nakinig sa, see you, brother.
Kaya nagpolo at hair gel ako today because of that moment alone. Anyway, we're on till 9 a.m. Oh, Kay's got a couple Starbucks in her hands. Very nice. It is 6:45 here on this Thursday morning. Let's get a song going and then we have some conversation to be had. Starting right away, we should have Mara here coming up in just a little bit as well.
Mo!
Proud of myself again.
Good times.
Three of us on the show. We expect Mara to be here any second, but again, still no Sam O. She'll be out all the way till next week in Korea with her family, and of course, doing her world peace thing. So, Sam, best of luck there. Hope you're having a time of your life. And us with you guys on playback.tv/good times. We should do also a roll call here in a little bit, but maybe right after this upcoming commercial break in about 12 minutes or so. I was having a lot of dessert today, and I'm trying not to eat too much fatty food, but I have been having, I had a cheesecake. And when I was eating the cheesecake, I realized how overrated cheesecakes might be. Like, do you guys really find them to be that delicious? I think we're just kind of
Oh, there's a really good cheesecake in
conditioned to think that they're
Wildflower.
good.
No, it's really good. It's
Is
the
it?
best.
Are they?
It's
Oh,
so
of
the
course.
best.
Somebody calls themselves Cheesecake number 12 on Playback says, yes, they're really good. Okay.
Cheesecake
So-
Factory is not a go-to place for you.
I all I'm saying is I think they're a little bit overrated. I mean, okay, desserts, if you go cake, pie, cheesecake,
Where does San Serval fall under? Is it a cake?
ang center falls also not.
It's not exactly a cake, no? Parang it's
Yeah, but it's that's overrated.
no way.
Dude, the other day, for example, I ate a tiramisu the other day, and I'm like, why? What is all the fanfare here?
If it's not the good kind, it's not great. I'm so sad. What are you eating? These are
I don't know. I'm just like, I think it's just a little overrated.
maybe you're getting the dessert in the restaurant. The restaurant desserts are not usual if that's not their thing. It's just like they have a token dessert.
Okay, so if you give me the hierarchy of desserts, what is the top of the food chain, really? It's ice cream, right?
Depends.
Ice cream is-
Depends on you.
ice cream is-
What's your favorite?
Of course. Just about everything in the world is subjective.
Do
So-
they have barquillos in America?
Yes, but why would that even compete against the top desserts in the world, right? Ito ba sa creme brulee?
Oh, that's pretty consistent naman. I mean, I think people got that down.
Really?
Siyempre, ayoko rin ng parang
Really?
Parang puro asukal yun.
For all the taba, no? And for the sakit that you could get.
Yes. So what is the give me the 5 best desserts kind of universally.
I guess the rice, sticky rice, mango sticky rice. There you go.
Mabigat kasi yun.
Pero universally masarap
May
siya.
ice cream talaga yung ano dyan. Tapos,
Ice cream's gotta be number 1.
meron tayong pagawa ng cake. Kasi sa Pinoy, yung mahado na yung mabuko pandan dyan, leche plan.
Alex got depressed.
Kasi iniisip ko lahat ng mga pagkain. na
Kasi
pinagdaanan ko sa
sinasabi mo
buhay.
universal, di ba? Parang bolognese spaghetti in a hotel.
We've had our debate. We've had our halo versus bingsu debate. We did that already. Okay, but I'm just about the best of the best. Cakes, ice cream, pies.
Pero mo,
What is
kahit ano pang dessert mo, basta kasama mo yung mahal mo, masarap yun.
Yun ang tunay na matamis.
Di ba?
Yeah. I don't know. I have nothing in my life, Lex. I'm completely single.
Sinasabi ko lang.
Hindi, diba?
Pag kasama mo, kinakamakain yung mahal mo, lahat naman nagiging memorable eh.
Macaroons, French macaroons. Is that, would you find it to be delicious? Would you put that up there on the best of the best? Cookies. Wow. I forgot about cookies.
Ano, kailan ka ba uling kumain ng cookies mo?
I don't know. A long time. I haven't had a cookie in a long time.
Ikaw ba isang cookie lang o dalawa, ilang cookies ang kaya mo?
You know, the cookies are getting bigger. They're getting bigger. They're getting thicker. They're getting girthier. They're like getting, they're
like
like,
share a cookie. No.
yeah, they're
bite
and then
size.
there's the broochies and there's all of this kind of hybrid stuff that comes out. A good moist cookie. Thank you, Alvin, is pretty strong.
Magsasabi ako ng mga
With the coffee.
Mga brand swerte nila. Gustong-gusto ko yung mocha cake ng kahit anong mga basta mocha cake ng whatever. Yung cake na pang-birthday, tapos
Like a sponge
kukunin ko
cake.
yung kanto. Yung kanto yung parehong may yung pinakamadayang lugar yung kanto kasi merong side by side yung icing.
I'm also a kanto.
Yeah, may kanto ng cake, that's mine. Di ba? Okay?
That's the best.
You get the icing on the side.
That's for the madugas one. Yung kunwari, tutulungan mo sila, ikaw magsaserve para maserve mo yung sarili mo ng best part.
Yan ang pinaka-the best. Prime area ng cake. Tapos yung sa Maxes na yung pinamimigay na gano'n, gustong-gusto ko yun. Yung caramel bar. Yung gano'n, yung, anong tawag doon? Yun, gusto ko yun. Tapos,
you know, I saw online, and this being my favorite cake for a long time now, and you guys have heard me say this over 10 years, but the Polly's chocolate cake over there in Magallanes, I saw it on the news again for, I don't know if it was on Rappler or Pep or something like that, and it just brought back memories at how amazing this cake is.
Is it in the Shell station? No.
Yeah, it's in the Shell station, and this.
It's gone.
Yeah, this is the best kanto cake. Like, if you're gonna kanto a cake, it's gotta be that Polly's chocolate cake where you get the kind of edge there, that corner. That is an incredible cake, and I still think it is the best cake in the city. For all of the fancy schmancy that you could probably get with the higher end patisseries and all that, I think that Polly's chocolate cake at Shell Magallanes is still the best.
Yeah, but
and I don't know
is the
if it's
Shell
still there.
Magallanes there?
Yeah, again, I don't think
meron doon, meron ka doon order, yung mga chocolate
Hindi,
cake.
pero hindi ba tinanggal
yun
nila yung station?
Yung Al's chocolate cake.
Hindi,
Yan,
yung
masarap
gas station parang renovate or
the Shell
tinanggal.
Magallanes is gone, but
The cake is somewhere else.
the cake is somewhere else. So I'm just saying, traditionally, that one from that Shell Magallanes Polly's is amazing. I don't know where they have moved. I am reading here, is it C5, Shell C5 and BGC. There's a Polly's there, and there's a Polly's in BF. That is the best cake in the city.
Pero yung Big Al's chocolate cake, isa pa yun. Yung talagang Big
Yeah.
Al's.
But going back to the cheesecake, the Basque cheesecake,
Ang
wildflower.
natikman kong cheesecake na, kasi parang cheese lang siya.
Frozen brazo, overrated. Overrated.
Well, yeah, for the amount of sugar, I think. And
Hindi ko
Overrated.
siya kayang masunod-sunod. Yung parang,
I can
Baklava.
share.
alam mo, ang taas ng
Overrated.
pressure sa dessert kasi busog ka na. So, kaya ka kumakain just to, di ba?
Kung
Hindi katulad
nag-save ka
ano,
ng space, then it must be
Oo.
worth it. Lalo na sa
Yan.
buffet.
Yan, gusto ko yan. Mango Bravo ng Contis. Gusto ko yan.
Better than sex cake in Los Baños?
Oh,
When you put anything that put better than sex, it's so douchey.
Sans Rival ng burger
It had
machine.
its minute.
Sans Rival ng burger machine. Yan, masarap yan.
Sans Rival is my favorite.
Sensitive, really?
Yeah, I got sad I had some Sans
Sans-
Rival the other day.
Sans Rival.
No, because I share it with my dad and my dad's gone. So I said, I lost my Sans Rival body. And then I was like, I can be your Sans Rival buddy. And that was kind of sweet. Because I don't like a whole cake. Yun yung hindi ko kaya. I have to share.
Bread pudding, strong. Thank you, Mike.
Oh yeah, a lot of people
Appreciate
make
it.
that.
Bread
Or
pudding,
the
strong.
mango with the graham crackers.
Graham.
Graham.
Ice cream cake. Ice cream cake, hindi ka magkakamali. Ice cream cake.
Yeah, during the pandemic, we sent a lot of those to make people
Ice cream cake is-
happy.
Ice cream cake is very, very strong. It's a really good thing. Wow. Okay, so that's it. Let's cut it down from 5 to 3 real quick, and then we got to take a break. Top 3 desserts. Okay, go first.
Sans Rival.
Number 1. 2.
Me? Oh,
Yeah.
Basque cheesecake.
Man, you're so Richie Rich. 3.
Why? You can share the cheese. It's just
These are
one
all
slice.
high-end.
Share it with people you love.
This
And
is all
any
high-end.
canto of a cake. How's that?
Oh God, there's so many bad cakes out there.
Yeah, but if you get the canto.
Sinabi ni Alex, punta ka sa birthday, tapos yung corner, like, Lex, ang daming birthday cake na sobrang pangit.
It doesn't matter. As long as you get the best part, it's still the best.
Ako, cake, mocha cake ng Goldilocks saka red ribbon. Lagay mo yung chocolate mousse. Lagay mo yung
Choco-mousse of Red Ribbon. Yes.
Blueberry cheesecake. Lagay mo doon. Nasa cake lahat yun na blueberry cheesecake, mango ganon, mango tart, mga ganon. Tapos pangalawa ko is yung mango sago. Tapos pangatlo ko is buko pandan. Fight me.
Okay,
Fight
okay.
me.
Okay, yeah. Listen, Lex, I love that you are, like your favorite stuff is the nostalgic stuff. Like, I love that about you. But there is no way, in my opinion, that anything from Red Ribbon or Goldilocks is the best of anything.
Cake. Mocha cake.
No way. No freaking way. That's like,
shout out Red Ribbon and Goldilocks.
no. Listen, Red Ribbon and Goldilocks, I appreciate and respect what you guys do, but come on now, that's fast food for dessert, and there's no way that those
Hindi. Yung
cakes are the best.
choco-mousse, perfect
Chocolate
nila yun.
mousse
Tsaka
ng
ano yun,
Red Ribbon.
reliable. College pa lang ako.
Saka
Yeah, that's what I'm
blueberry
saying.
cheesecake.
That's what I'm saying. You guys are being nostalgic, and that's fine. I respect it. I respect it,
Good.
dude.
And it's perfect.
Goldilocks Polvoron. Silvanas. Ang dami
Goldilocks Pulveron, I know that my mother-in-law told me they used to serve it in PAL flights and the Pope would ask for it. And they would bring it to him at the Vatican.
Look
Pope
at all
John
of your
Paul.
stories. All of your
Jesus, can you
stories are
imagine?
30-year past
Can you
tense.
imagine a saint loves it? Like,
Everything.
whoa.
Yeah, but you guys are talking about 30-year past tense stuff.
So you want a current dessert? What's a current
Well, not
dessert?
saying current dessert. I'm just saying the competition has evolved, and this stuff is there are better stuff now out there.
Well,
Oh, hindi
okay,
ganun lagi
fine.
yun,
I
ah.
guess kasi yung ice cream for me is a meal in itself. It's not dessert. Is that fair?
You all know it. It's a dessert, but
It's
again,
It's
I
its
respect the
own meal.
I respect the nostalgia. I really do, and I love that you're talking about things that we can easily have memories with, and you led your answer with memories, right? It's about the memory.
Yeah.
However,
Sharing it, it's sweeter, it's yummier.
yeah. Anyway, I love it.
So what's
But-
yours? Gummy bears?
I still eat the mocha.
ice
I still
cream.
eat the mocha cake. Nako, ayoko ng mga fancy stuff. Mocha cake, chocolate cake. Yan. Ayun lang mga ano dyan. Simple sa akin. Mango cake.
Mo always thinks na for nostalgia lang si Alex. I think he's just a simple guy with 145,000 peso shoes.
Shoes. Pero pag sa mga pagkain, doon ako
Just
sa
a
ano.
simple guy. 145,000. 300,000. Kakabili ko lang na to, 75,000. Ito naman, 400,000 yung Nikes ko. Ito naman, Travis Scott,
Why?
500,000. I'm just a simple guy.
Pag cake, ba talaga pag dessert? Leche plan nga. Okay na ako sa leche plan eh.
Yun ang hindi
7.5
ko-
million.
Yun yung hindi ko ka.
370.
Ang hindi ko ano yung creme brulee, yung parang may yung sunog na,
Yeah, I can't do that. Yeah.
sunog na sugar sa ibabaw.
Yeah, I can't do it, man. I think ice cream. I'm gonna say ice cream is number one, and it's pretty wide. I
Wonder how many flavors there are.
I
Vanilla.
do like your I do like a strong kuchinta, but I don't know if we would categorize that.
Ang katinta. Oh.
I don't know if we would categorize that as a dessert. I do.
dessert.
I like a strong, sapin. I like
Maja Blanca.
one of those. Yeah, kind of like the strong older ones that are very rice based. So I'm with you there. Of the cakes at Polly's though, I think that Polly's I'm in, man. It's got to be it for me. That's what I got. Anyway, it is 7:02. We'll take a break. When we come back, we'll have hour number 2 of the show. You'll listen to Good Times here at Magic 89.9. Don't go away. Back after this.
Do what? Turn the volume on. It's Mo, Sam O, Kirill, and Alex. Good times in the morning.
$7:07 on this Thursday morning. You're listening to Good Times here at Magic 89.9. The three of us,
Hey.
of course. Kay in studio.
Yeah, learning the board with Kuya Mel.
Nice. Good job. Alex remote as well. Myself.
Hello, call
as well.
us.
You guys are playback.tv/good times. Alex, that was a good time, man. Tell everybody again where, how, what they can get, not just from coming to your show because it's super funny. Is there's like prizes attached to some of this stuff as well, which I don't know if any other comedian person does this.
This is a generous man. He just
Yeah,
wants everyone to be extra happy.
You're getting stuff from all sides. You get the show, you get the experience, you get to hang out with the group, you get prizes. I mean, all in one thing. Like, how do you do that?
Ako lang namimigay ng sardinas at katingko. Tandem.
May sardinas na.
Dati, wala pa. Tingnan natin. Magkita-kita tayo sa October 4 and 5 sa Maybank Theater. Konting-konti na lang po yung seat sa level 3 po. Pero good news ang level 3 natitira dahil doon nauupo lahat ng mga celebrities sa level 3. Maniwala
Layo
kayo.
naman.
October 4 and 5 level 3. Ang galing mo si October 4 and 5 doon na lang po natitira sa Maybank Theater. Andiyan ako kahapon. Tapos sa October 11, Music Museum, yan po marami pang tickets. Sa Green Hills yan. October 12, dyan naman po kami sa Insular Live. May mga tickets pa po dyan. So, lahat po yan ay ticketworld.com.ph at regular rates na tayo. Pero pag bumili kayo ng 10 ticket, electric oven, 15 tickets, air purifier, 20 tickets, refrigerator, wala na pong electric pan, naubos na po. I-email nyo po sa happy@alexcalia.com. Tapos, magkita-kita tayo sa weekend, sa Friday, dyan sa Cork Room. Dyan naman sa Saturday, dyan naman sa The Palace, napakagandang lugar dyan. And then sa Sunday, sa Bruce Buddy, yan, Lap Trip, Olongapo, Subic, alexcalia.com and thecomedycrew.com. Tuloy na tuloy po yung ating Lap Trip Australia. November 8 Perth, November 9 Adelaide, November 15 Sydney, November 16 Melbourne. Tapos the following week, mga November 22 to 30, niluluto na rin po ang ating Lap Trip Middle East, Dubai, Bahrain, Oman, and Doha. Tapos
When is it?
Sa November 22 to 30, yun yung period ko. Okay? A-announce ko yan. Standby lang kayo. Tapos maraming salamat sa Katingko, Sharp, sa Pilot, at isa-shoutout ko lang yung mga sumusunod na mga tao. PAL Vice President for Corporate Affairs,
Our favorite.
Miss Ann Chionco, shoutout po sa inyo. Pang ilang araw na po ito. Pure Gold Director and President Vincent Co, shoutout po sa inyo. EC Barley President and CEO Jonathan So, shoutout po sa inyo. At pinalitan na po, naging five sardines na po ang tinatawag natin. Hello kay Tam. Yan. And see you J&E
And
Company.
it would be great because they could do a dry sampling on the event.
Ano?
Yung
Yun,
dry
Jane.
sampling.
Oh,
Like-
meron, malamang.
You have changed the process
Landscape.
of how, landscape of how people sponsor.
The flow chart.
You thank them and acknowledge them before they sponsor.
Yes.
That is
Hindi, kay Vice President for Corporate Affairs, Miss Anchong, kung may email na ako, baka lang yun.
You're just telling them to check the inbox.
Oo, Pure Gold Director and President Vincent ko, kausap ko na yung secretary.
Where do we go from shout out to nagagalit na tayo? Yung, hoy!
Pag malapit na, kasi makakatulong si Philippine Airlines Vice President for Corporate Affairs,
Oh my God.
Miss Anchong ko, napapadala ka dito mo sa Pilipinas for our mga project.
Pakicheck naman yung email. Ilang araw na yung email.
Malamang may makakarinig talaga dito at kahit kaibigan na o kaya kapatid, pamangkin, pinsan, anak.
Oh my
Sabihin,
gosh. Is this what they call a panawagan sa radyo?
si Alice, ang kulit-kulit na doon. Narinig nyo ba yun? Yan. So,
Paging the parents of a lost boy, Alex Calleja.
Si Pure Gold Director and President Vincent ko naman, nagkikita kami sa mga events niya. Sabi niya, sige Alex,
Okay.
ikontakin mo lang yung secretary ko, at ako nang bahala. Tapos hindi yun. Kaya dinaan ko na dito.
Tama.
At yung Mega Sardines na si Officer Marvin Chulim, ang nangyari, nakinig tuloy yung 555 sardines.
Oo.
Na matindi doon.
Madaming mga boss nakikinig sa atin in the radio right now.
So sabihin nila, Alex, very desperate. I don't care.
Exactly. Getting it done.
Plus, that's being proactive, finding your own
You
style, thinking out of the
don't
box.
Don't take the player.
It works. By the way, it works.
No,
It's been
plus
working.
it's a way for you to get more gifts for the people who are watching because it's your birthday and you're sharing the gifts. And,
Tama yung pilot, di ba? Nagbigay natin ngayon ng mga-
hello, look at me.
Hindi naman para sa akin to eh. Para sa inyo to. Lahat ng hinihingi ko, di ba? Ballpen. Si Kay, gusto nang kausapin ng Sharp Philippines, di ba Kay?
Oh my gosh, talaga?
Sabi ng Sharp Philippines, kausapin ko si Kay kung gusto niya
Pwede sa
Sabi ni Kay, busy lang ako
podcast,
Alex,
no?
I'm just busy. Ganyan ang mga celebrity, I'm just busy. Me, I'm desperate. Kahit may kumausap sa akin ng lugawan, mamimigay ako ng lugaw.
Ay, pwede yun. Kasi pamimigay mo dun sa mga gumagawa ng mga set and when you're
I mean, you're a hustler, and that's great. I mean that in the most positive way. And I guess I want to
you
ask.
find ways.
We should ask other people though. I mean, what's the best example you can give us? Your own testimonial of how being a hustler got you to achieve your goal.
Oh, I did have a
What is
hustler
new?
era.
Yeah.
But I do it for like a charity thing. Like one time, I went to yung mga pinopromote natin, yung nasa SMX, may travel fair. I went there, went around with letters, and I got some sponsors. I remember it was Red Coconut, and we gave away like a free stay for one of my first charity events with my blockmates in college. Wala. Namigay lang ako letter.
That's a really good point. I think just being like, look, Alex gives out flyers. All of this stuff using the media, television,
Right.
radio, podcast, all social media.
Correct.
But he also goes to the corner at VGC or kind of certain
Yeah.
areas.
Museum.
Music museum. He hands out flyers till this day.
Did
Okay?
you see his poster that I posted on my Instagram? I was walking by BGC and I saw it.
Yeah. So I mean,
I was there yesterday. Raining, giving away flyers and everything.
Talaga? That's nice.
That's how it
No, but you know what the thing is in BGC, not everyone knows there's a theater there. Strangely, di ba? Because when we did the play, sabi ko, ba't di alam ng mga nandun sa tapat na meron palang theater dito? Nagpapa-picture sila and yet they didn't know. Diyan yung play namin. May theater ba dyan? And they worked right across.
Ako sa totoo lang, iniisip ko lagi, hindi kaya ng lahat ng mga radio, TV. Gusto ko lang makarating sa lahat. And I'm not that
Correct.
popular para tiwala sa ganun. So, ang ginagawa ko, I talk to them, nagpa-flyers ako, then I personally invite them. And it's not hindi naman siya nakakababa ng pagkatao eh. So,
No, I don't think anybody is. And on the contrary, I think we are all appreciating it and saying that it is about being about hustling.
Actually,
katulad ng Philippine Airlines na si Vice President for Corporate Affairs na Miss Anchong ko. Yung opportunity kasi in-offer ko, pupunta kami sa iba't ibang bansa and people sa OFW, we can promote the airlines. They're gonna use it going back. Kaya nga sinasabi ko, dapat nagta-tie up sa inyo mga hotels, yung mga resorts kasi we're going to Australia, to Dubai, to Singapore, and they're all up. It's a win-win situation.
Right.
Ngayon kung di man makakita yung Philippine Airlines Vice President for Corporate Affairs na si Miss Anchonco, there's always Buko-Titi, there's always Air Philippines, Air Asia.
Now you're threatening them.
Diba? Kasi may mga gano'n naman eh. Ang gusto ko lang makatulong. Gusto ko rin may uwi dito sa Mo. Parang gusto kong goal, parang let's bring Mohan home.
Let's bring Mohan home.
I got. I'm held against my will by the Russians.
Let's bring Mohan home.
That's the
Philippine
hashtag.
Airlines Vice President for
Don't
Corporate
you
Affairs, Miss Anchonco.
Oh, please don't. But listen, enough about us. I don't want to sit here and talk about us for an hour. I want to ask you guys. I mean, give me an example where you hustled and you got
Are
your
we
goal.
taking calls?
No, I can read. I can read off.
Magic, hello. Come on, give me a call. Kuya Mel is here. Come on. Mo, trust me. I have called this station many a time. I always
Patawagin mo.
get through.
Baka tumawag si Philippine Airlines Vice President for Corporate
Oh
Affairs.
my God. What are we doing now? What happened to our radio? Anybody save our radio show? How about that? Hashtag save the show.
It's not going anywhere.
Save the show.
Game. Lines
I don't
are
even-
ready.
No, forget it. I think we're starting with the topic.
What? Hustlers?
Patawagin natin.
Hustlers? Come on.
No, we're having a hard time getting a flow going.
Ayan, it's going like this. Does that mean
I guess
there's a
that-
call?
Yes, that means there's a call. But I
on.
think we're having a hard time getting a conversational flow going. It's one of those days, right? So, where are we? I forgot where we are.
Hustlers. Are there
Live
hustlers?
podcast ang gagawin natin.
out
Live
there?
podcast with Momo. Bring Mohan home.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my God. I want to quit.
Oh no.
What topic are we doing now, everybody?
Kaya pag alis din mo, umuwi kang maaga ngayon mo, ay umalis kang maaga ngayon, mag-i-stay kami ni Kay. Gagawin namin yung telethon.
Nag-iba yung
Accepting donations and everything.
nawala
Well,
na yung
I'm
first two
gonna go home.
calls.
I was just saying, we need to, where are we? I forgot. I don't know where we
Okay,
are.
go. Na, usap lang tayo na. Ayoko na. Hindi na ako magsasabi ng ng mga tao na paparinggan.
No. That's the fun part. No, that's fine.
Hindi na, ayoko na. Hindi ko na. Nakakaya na kay Philippine Airlines Vice President
Oh my
for
God.
Corporate Affairs, Miss Anchonco.
Do you think at some point she'll get offended?
I think we're near.
No.
We may be close.
May letter.
When's the last time any of you guys were offended? I know we live in a time where getting offended is easy, it's quick, it's maybe trendy to even get offended, right? But when's the last time you guys were offended by something? Do you remember? Like, hey, do you remember the last
I
time?
hardly get offended because I'd like to think I don't care, but I think I get offended for other people. Like, if it's like a close family member na you wrong them, my lola comes out. There's one day, my lola was like so mad. She said, ayoko inaagrabyadong pamilya ko. And I was shocked because she's the sweetest woman. And I was like, I think that rubbed off on me. So yung offense ko is not for myself, but for my family. Can't offend
But you
me.
know, yeah, I mean, I think like a family fight is different than from just getting offended by like being sensitive about something. I think, especially me, I try to fight getting offended because so many people do it already. That I just don't want to be in that category of just always easily offended. So I'm kind of consciously, you have to say something really egregious for me to get offended.
Ano?
And I think
Egregious?
egregious. Yeah.
I don't even know that. Okay.
Oh, it means really bad. You have to say something really, really bad. That's what I think. That's what I think I'm saying. I think a lot of us just say, I don't care. I don't care what people think. But that comes out of our mouths, but we really do.
Deep down. Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know where the truth is regarding when
That's
I get
right
offended.
then. Yeah. Like,
Ako, na-offend ako pag naiisip ng taong na-offend ako. Mas nakaka-open yung...
I'm not that
hindi ka naman na-open.
sensitive.
Sasabihin na, tama na, open. Tapos doon ako tapos papaliwanag kung hindi ako na-open. Tapos lalong sasabihin, yung parang pag nag-aaway kayo, yung inaawat ka, wala alam, hindi ka naman pag-aaway. Tama na, hindi naman sa'yo ko sa hindi, wag na. Sumisigaw ka. Doon ka ma-open pag naiisip na na-open ka. Pero hindi ka man na-open. Minsan ginagawa mo, na-open ka na lang para matapos na lang. Kasi pag pinapaliwanag mong hindi ka na-open, dahil sinasabing na-open na yan, ayun ang nakakainis. Yung na-open sila para sa'yo. At nakaka-open talaga yung yung nakakadinig ako ng nung jumping to conclusion. Doon, madali akong mapikon doon kasi
But pikon and offended are different. Like ako, I like to be, I don't want to say I like to be pikon, but I like, halimbawa papatulid ko yung isang online, like an online
basher, ganun.
opinion. Yeah, that's negative. I like jumping in on that because I like the competition. It's not about being offended. It's about competing in it. I maybe offended doesn't happen that often for me, but I can, and I don't even want to use the word triggered because I don't ever feel triggered. I just want to engage. And that is something I think I enjoy.
Saka kung minsan meron akong parang joke, offended joke, parang ganun. Parang, pwede ba tigilan mo na yan? Tigilan nyo na yan ha? Parang may papakyut na ganun pero minsan hindi yata nagtatranslate sa kaya ganun.
So anyway, when's the last time you got truly offended though? Truly offended. It could be somebody made a joke about our Jollibee or something like that. But when's the last time you truly offended? Not picon, not any of those things. Messi in Irvine, California says, someone told me a few weeks ago after my husband passed away because he was sick for a long time that I seem relieved.
Right?
And
What
she
is that?
got mad. And that's a really good answer
Right.
Sorry for your loss, by the way, Messi, and thanks for always being here in Irvine. From Irvine. Belvedere says, when I was in Singapore, sa isang parang Watson's over there, to buy shampoo, habang naghahanap ko ng item, yung staff doon, nilapitan. I can't even read my glasses.
Naghanap siya ng shampoo tapos sinapitan siya ng isang staff,
And they
ino-open siya ng
offered her
whitening.
whitening lotion. My glasses on, I can't see. I don't know, I'm getting old. They offered her whitening lotion and she got offended for that. Yes. Get offended. What is it? Pan Mono says, when there's a caller that doesn't want to turn off the radio and speakerphone or Bluetooth, they get offended. Okay, whatever. That's not so bad. Willie says somebody gifted him with deodorant.
Oh.
I don't think that's true. I don't think no one would ever do that.
Iba to ha. A former friend, he's white, used to call me unggoy almost every single day. After learning what the word meant. And that's racist.
Yeah, that's pretty bad. I love this one.
Every day? Oh gosh.
Yoying says, I got offended when somebody was giving out flyers to buy condo. You know, everyone dumadaan. Tapos nung dumaan siya, they did not offer her.
Oh my God.
Ginad siya.
Hindi ko kayo ma-afford. Hindi niya ma-afford.
Excuse me. Akin na yan. Oh, baka it's like
Alam mo, may na-open
Pretty
nata kami sa
Woman
video.
style.
Sabi ba naman ng isang comedian, sabi ko, ba't di mo binigyan yun? Hindi naman manonood dyan.
Pre-no-file na. Sayang papel.
Oo, sayang naman yung papel. Sayang din. Sayang yung brochure. FG says, I get offended when people elevate. Here's an interesting one. I don't know what this means. I can't read. I get offended when people elevate Filipino food. Is it a low class that needs to be elevated? What does this mean? What does it mean to elevate Filipino food? Diko gets. Somebody
Like,
translate.
they'll make it small portions and then it's like gastronomic adventures. Pero ang liit. Tapos parang, ulam yan! Kailangan marami!
I don't know if that's what that means, Kay. Is that what that means?
Hindi, ang sinasabi niya, parang, bakit mo
Pinasasyal mo?
Hindi, pag in-elevate, ibig sabihin parang, ba't mo pupurihin matagal na dapat atang, obviously, nandun na tayo, ba't mo kailangan itaas? Para ba siya sa'yo mo nasa baba yung food. Parang ganun nata pagkakain
I
doon.
don't know if that
Or
because
like,
look,
we want ube to have its moment. Like matcha is a moment.
pwede rin yung
diba?
kay
It's
Kay.
had its
I know,
moment.
but come on, a lot of this stuff is about being trendy. It's not about being elevated. Actually, it's a little bit ang yabang mo naman if you feel like your stuff has been elevated the entire time. I mean, come on, Korean food is very in. And maybe 15 years ago, 20 years ago, we didn't really care for it. 20 years ago, we all loved shawarma. Now we don't give a shit about shawarma.
Tama ata si Kay.
It
Yung
has its
parang parang fusion ata sinasabi niya yung caller. Ayaw yung message, ayaw niya na, huwag nyo lalagyan ng iba yung adobo. Adobo is adobo. Huwag nyo nalagyan ng,
Okay, you're a purist. Okay, you're a purist.
Parang
No,
siya.
and when they make it small, like how is the ulam so small? Paano kung mabubusog? Na-offend yung chan.
No, that's just offensive, period. It doesn't matter what cuisine, right?
Oo.
You go there, tapos ito.
Alam mo,
Pero lalo na kasi family style tayo kumain eh.
yung ginanon yung sauce, di ba may pag-ulam na maliit, tapos ginanon yung
The worst.
Oman in Pittsburgh, California says, I was at an Airbnb in Tagaytay in 2019. Oman here is from California, USA. Sabi ng caretaker, ingatan daw yung blinds dahil IKEA yun.
I finally went to IKEA. I love it.
What is this? Madalas naman ako sa IKEA.
Kasi ang haba siguro na ang daming tao eh. So parang ayoko na bumalik.
That has nothing to do with what he's talking about, Jay. Absolutely zero.
Well, ingatan talaga yung blinds.
Na-offend ako nung akala ng tindera na anak ko yung asawa ko.
Oh my God.
That's so bad. It's bad if it's the other way around, where halimbawa nanay mo yung asawa mo. Like that would be a little bit more offensive. When's the last time you guys got offended? We're talking about more the most recent one, not your all-time.
Yeah. Are you asking me?
No,
Or
I'm
the
reading.
callers? Because we have some.
If you want to take a call, you take a call. But are you capable? Do you know how to do it? We can do
Sige,
it.
sige, try mo nga
Kuya
Kay.
Mel is here.
I don't
Sige,
because Kuya Mel, no, that's not my
Of
question.
course. Yeah, we're gonna pick one. We're
No
gonna
one
pick
ever
the
told me
left
that.
one.
Said they go
Here
weirdo.
we go. We're gonna pick one. The left one.
Kaya nga pumasok si Kay dahil dyan, mabayaan mo na mo. Go.
Magic. Hello.
Hi,
Oh my God, my first caller. What's your name?
my name is Michelle.
Michelle?
I'm offended by this juvenile behavior. But
Michelle,
yes,
is
what's her
that
name?
you?
Yeah,
Michelle My Belle. Yeah.
yeah.
That is a
All right,
Beatles reference for the young ones. Beatles being classical music now, I think. So when were you truly offended, Michelle?
Oh my God,
Yeah,
you're taking
so-
over. Let's go.
I'm a flight attendant,
Oh.
and
We have a message for Director of Corporate Affairs.
Vice President. Do you know Philippine Airlines Vice President for Corporate Affairs, Miss Anchonko?
yeah. So no. So anyhow, I'm a flight attendant po, and I have side hustles.
Okay.
So what I do is after the flight, even if I'm tired, of course we all need to make some extra money. So
Mhm.
So we're in a big compound. This is in abroad. So I knock sa mga flight attendants ko, and what I do is I ask if they have like laundry na I can do.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because we have a laundromat inside the compound, but I do it anyway for them because they don't like Morocco. I'm sorry, I'm not gonna say the ibang lahi. So ibang lahi, so I just get their laundry and then I fold it and then give it back. When I come home dito sa atin, what happened is kamusta na yung high class katulong?
Sabi. Nagmagandang loob ko lang naman.
It's coming from the family. So, high class katulong. So, I'm like, okay, well, I have money. So, yun
Yeah.
lang. Nakaka-offend lang na it comes from your family na, we're just making some extra money para I mean, like, I'm doing good, but I just need it because I'm planning kasi of buying a lot somewhere.
Mhm.
So, it helps. Pansandwich
Right.
ko
I
yun,
love-
or
I love the
pang-
thought. You know, Michelle, the reason why I love your call, Michelle, is because you've just married our last two conversations
Right.
about hustling and now about being offended. That hustle, though, man, I love it, and especially because you got a really good job, and to still go above that and beyond that to save and earn 1,000% respect. I love it.
I'm getting
thank you.
goosebumps
Thank
from
you.
this call. And it's my first call
Yeah.
too. I'm glad we
sometimes-
answered the phone. Thanks, Michelle.
Yeah, so
Thanks.
sometimes, you just have to be a little,
Thick skin, ba?
sa mga sasabihin mo sa ibang tao. Because sometimes, nahihirapan din tayo, especially, syempre, overseas, malayo sa family, and then you hear stuff like that.
When sadness
Medyo
hits you pa.
It's not just hindi lang nakaka-offend, it's really hurtful. So,
Correct.
yeah.
Yep. No, got it.
But you'll get your dream house soon. So yeah.
What airline? What airline do you work for?
Ayaw mo sabihin eh.
Philippine Airlines. No. It's an international airline.
No, I know you said it. It was because you said overseas. So I was wondering what airline this was.
Okay,
Middle East, yes?
Saudi
Middle East,
Arabian
yes?
Airlines. Saudi
Which one?
Airlines.
Audi, yeah. Okay. No, it felt Middle East airline. Okay, cool. Thanks, love. Appreciate you.
All
Have a good
right.
day.
Thanks,
Okay, guys.
Michelle. And with
Bye.
that, I have answered my first call.
Can you hang up on your first call now,
Alrighty.
please?
Bye. Bye, Michelle.
Bye.
Have a great day. Hi to your
Bye.
family.
Yes. No,
Let's just keep Michelle here the whole time.
no.
Bye.
Thanks, Michelle. Have a good day. Bye.
All right, you too. Bye.
Ako careful ako sa pagsasabi na, uy, ilang buwan na yung buntis.
And then
Oh,
you're
hindi
just
pala buntis. Careful talaga ako. Ilang buwan na yan tiyan mo? Ha? Hindi ako buntis. Wala kang lusot doon. Wala kang malalangin mo mag-end of the world.
Nagawa mo na yun?
Oo.
Oh, siya.
Sabi niya, hindi ako buntis. Tapos yun, tumingin na ako sa ibang tao.
Ako nakita ko yung friend ko na isa siyang singer. Pangalanan natin siyang si Kyla. Tapos yung isa kong friend, parang congratulate nun. Tapos sinabi ng friend ko, no, I'm not pregnant. I was like, Kyla! Huwag mong limutin.
JK Hayes says, well, by the way, one of the best OPM songs of all time.
Oh, she has a new song now. It's actually...
I know she does. No, I'm
Maybe
talking
let's
about that
play
song.
it. But that song, yeah.
that-
And the coolest video ever with all the EPs. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry if you're eating breakfast.
That's such an amazing song. JK Hayes says, when I went to SM Department Store to buy a sunblock for my upcoming trip, I'm holding a local brand because that was the one that I first saw. But when I asked for the Korean brand, the sales lady assisting me says, ay, mas mahal po yan eh. Looking like I couldn't afford it. Is that really what they do? Or is that how we just...
Julia
Accept it.
Roberts, ano yan, Pretty Woman style. So you'll just buy it.
But we're talking about sunblock though.
Right.
The Julia Roberts gets go because it's kind of high.
Baka, oo nga, no? Baka she's coming
Sunblock.
from, di ba parang she's coming from, pareho rin naman po ang ano niyan. Pareho rin
Yeah.
po ano yan. Ito po ang mas,
Ah.
okay, bilhin yan, mahal yan. Eh.
Baka
Parang
naman
concern
ganun.
pa siya.
Ay, concern siya. Pwede.
Di ba?
Yeah. That's the thing. I think we get so that line, right? The line of sensitive and offended. I think that was a little bit more sensitive than it was towards the offended stuff. Moonchild says, I get offended when I'm dining out and I get asked for a discount card because of my gray hair.
Senior.
Assuming I'm senior. I'm only in my 30s, but genetic sex. That's your fault. You look old.
Maybe they said, do they say senior card or baka PWD? Because a lot of people have I could have a PWD card.
Your gray hair? That's associated with old ass people.
Have it
That's
dyed
your fault.
if you like. But gray is cool now.
And what I mean, come on. Okay, look. Okay, listen. Can you really fault them for wanting to give you a discount?
Wow, this is from Mr. I don't like discounts too.
Yeah. It's like they're actually trying to be nice to senior people. And that's a really good thing.
Now he's
You
getting all sorts
Look old.
of or wear a cap.
Your fault. Wear a goddamn cap. Mura-mura lang. Just go over there where the sunblock store is. Hanapin mo yung Korean brand na hair dye and you get to pay full price for the rest of your life.
But some people really dye their hair and it keeps them looking young. Maybe if it's gray, you could also dye it purple. Parang it's easier.
Okay, here's medyo, this is where we get, this is now, again, this is more offensive than you are sensitive. Me and my wife was at a ramen place. I saw the ramen na may wagyu. So I ordered it and the waiter told me na 2.5 yan. That's offensive. Right?
Oo nga.
Because it's on the menu.
Kasi sa department store, pwede kasing hawak nung sales lady yung produkto na yon. Kaya ino-offer niya
And
talaga,
pinupush
naka-assign
niya.
sa kanya, pinupush niya. Eto, restaurant to, talagang ginudge ka nun. 2.5 yan. May wagyu yan. Hanggang pork chop ka lang.
Alabao says, I offered my seat to a woman wearing a dress. Akala ko buntis siya. At maternity dress yung suot niya. She looked at me like I was hitting on her. Ete, mukha kang buntis. I mean, you should offer the seat to a female anyway, though. So, I mean, it doesn't matter if buntis or not. That's just kind of proper gentleman stuff, yes. God, there's so many here that I'm kind of...
And let me know if you want to answer the phone. It's a
GT
blinky.
Matic says, my kids are half-breeds, so I get mistaken for bodyguard driver.
Oh, gosh.
Kasi tisay-tisay yung mga anak niya. That's so good. Because I can totally see that happening.
Itong napagkamalan akong sales guy sa isang customer sa Sham Shop. Madalas mangyari yon.
That's all. Sorry.
Yeah.
Wala ako nangyari na sa akin yan eh. Ako napagkamalang waiter sa stand-up comedy show ko eh.
Sama pala sa show mo mismo.
Oo, sa show ko mismo, mga 2013. Sabi ko, sir, isang beer. Sabi ko, sir, ako, hindi po ako waiter.
Pero talaga.
Comedian ako. Talaga? Waiter ka na? Comedian ka ba? Okay
Hustler.
Isang beer. Tapos, panoorin kita.
Ambi says, I'm a plus-size girl. Pag bumibili ako ng damit, biggest size na po ito. In short, walang kasya sa akin. What is she saying here? Is she saying like,
yung mga sizes nila, biggest na, mukhang hindi ka kasya. Kaya sinasabihan na siya na, ma'am, biggest na po ito, ma'am. Hindi na po kayo makakainin ng bigger size.
Yun nga eh, but what's the scenario to get offended there though?
Offend yun, nabili mo.
It's because clearly hindi kasha. You don't need to say na biggest size na to. You can just say, we don't have that size.
O kaya, ma'am, sige po, try nyo po, ma'am.
Or just say, ito na yung last stop.
Ma'am, ito po yung ma'am, try nyo po muna sa fitting. Tapos pag malayo na siya, hindi ang kakasya, ma'am. Nakaka-open talaga. Then, paano ba?
Pero kahit sa sapatos talaga mahirap. My mom, she has giant feet.
Yeah, but
I'm
sapatos
sorry,
is not offensive because it's just...
It is for them. They feel bad. Sorry, mom.
Hindi pa kami tapos kumain, kinuha na ang dishes.
Ako ganyan! But I always say, I'm sorry, sisimutin ko pa to. That's parang compliment to the chef.
When this happens, I just take it.
No! Ako, I really always say. I always say.
Sa may position yung di ba, spoon and fork na hindi pa siya tapos.
Yung ulam kasi, di ba,
Like.
minsan binabust out na nila. Tama ba yun? Bust out na nila. Dahil sisimutin ko pa yung sauce.
Kulang ba sa lalagyan ng pagkain na gagamitin na nakabilang mesa?
Some people kasi want the table super clean. May mga OC na whatever.
No, this is soft right here. Junjun says, no offend ako kasi lagi akong tinatawag na pogi sa palengke. You're just soft, Junjun.
Pogi.
Pogi. Naman pogi.
Ba't di na nga ang pogi at kuya at boss, ginagamit na ngayon yan kahit saan. Di ba?
Cousin Rich says, the waiter asked for IDs from the yung dalawang kapatid ko for alcohol, pero ako hindi. Yeah, Cousin Rich, kasi mukha kang matanda. Like, I don't know what to do. What? This is not offensive. This is sensitive. You're being sensitive.
Ito. Eto, nang tumingin kami ng wedding ring sa Gateway Cubao, sinabi ko na babalikan na lang namin. Sinabihan ako ng sales lady na, okay lang sir, malapit lang naman kami sa MRT. Gusto ko isampal yung susi ng Fort Everest fully paid ko. Ako
Fully paid is the douche line there. Fully paid. We are so sensitive about fully paid though. Cell phone.
Yeah.
We get way too sensitive about that.
Oh, would you get offended? Sometimes parang when you check out, kunwari, you're buying clothes, ma'am, straight payment ba? Or, because they give you the option.
Okay.
Or,
Why would you get offended by that?
if this is also offensive. I'm
No.
wondering, kasi hindi fully paid yun eh. You could pay, kunwari, your shopping bag, 3 months to pay. 3 months to pay. Parang they can ask
If
you.
any of you have a credit card, guess what? That's not fully paid. Just by default, it's not fully paid.
Yeah, that's right.
That's not even the science behind it. Right? That's not even the purpose. The purpose is so you don't fully pay it. That's how they make money. So my credit card by default means you didn't fully pay it. Lottie says, I got offended one time kasama ko daddy ko. Kala ni ate sales lady na yung boyfriend. Daddy ko, boyfriend ko. Sabi ko, daddy ko yan. I don't know where that's offensive. What, is it because you feel like they think you have a sugar daddy? Yes, maybe. Gosh, there's so many I can't keep up here.
Good to know that everyone's offended.
Yeah. No, but you know what I like about this is we can kind of, all of it is just our opinion, but we can kind of say, hey guys, that's offensive. That's not that offended. Just get over it.
Well, yeah.
Not that big of a deal. And I know it's wrong to say that, right? Because everybody should be in charge of their own emotions and just be able to feel what they want to feel. But I think we really need to bring some kind of order back into society. That is not offensive. Your hair is gray. They were trying to give you a discount.
I like
That's
how you call it order. Yeah, parang, yeah, let's have levels.
Yeah. Hold on. That's not true. It's so stupid. This is joke time for one of these other ones. Anyway, let's take a break. We got to take a break. We're late anyway by 13 minutes. We'll take a commercial break. When we come back, we'll have more of the show. You're listening to Good Times here on Magic 89.9. Back after this. Don't go away.
Good times.
Yes, you're listening to the radio here on Magic 89.9. This is Karil, and with me is Alex Calleja.
So talaga bang tayo naiwan, Kay?
Hindi ko alam paano to, guys.
Kaya nga, ba't kasi di tayo nagpaalam na naligat lang ako eh.
Hindi ko alam.
Naligat lang ako, atin na pala tong show na to.
OMG.
Oo.
Be prepared for a chaotic time. I guess we could say till 8:30. I am offended because I need back therapy. Kasi, Kuya Alex, there were drag queens on Showtime and pinagpag nila ako na parang kumot. And syempre, bilang may scoliosis ako, sumakit
Di mo
yung
nasabi.
likod ko. Hindi, ayoko maging KJ. Okay, so tiniis ko na lang. Medyo hindi ako ayan. Medyo okay naman, pero kailangan ko pa yung likod ko para sure na sure. So, pupunta ako sa Maybank. Yeah, peak form is my therapy for my
Paalam
body.
na tayo, Kay?
No, tuloy natin to. You know, it's everybody's dream to be a radio DJ and that's us today. Sana kung nandito ka, mas masaya.
Oo nga, sana nga napunta ako. Kala ko kasi nagbibiro ka lang.
Hindi.
Ang matindinan, Kay, hindi ba tayo nag-roll call? Gusto mo ba mag-roll call tayo? Basahin natin lahat. Mag-roll call lang tayo. Kaya pa ni sino ba nagbibigay ng background?
Anong kanta yan? Anong kanta? Alam mo yung title ng kanta?
Hindi ko na alam yung kanta eh. Alam ba ni Direk? Kaya tayo mo kay Alvin kung alam niya yung tugtog doon sa... Parang, ako na lang gusto mo gagawa ng tugtog tapos ikaw na mag-roll call.
Patay
Ako gagawa ng...
tayo
No.
Kapit lang sa ating mga 870 listeners. Huwag kayong
870?
bibitiw bigla. Ito na. Andali. Mabagal yung internet. Ito na. May mga A Madness by Muse.
Basahin ko lang, pansin ko, bakit parang pupogi si Alex ngayon?
Meron dyan, Madness by Muse.
Ayan, basahin natin ha.
All right.
Saan magagaling yung tugtog?
We got listeners from all over the galaxy.
Bilisan mo dyan, girl. Kailangan mabilisan, girl.
Dali lang! Madness
yung
by
tugtog.
Muse. Yung tugtog muna.
Kaya nga, yung Madness.
Madness by Muse.
Sandali lang.
O Muse by Madness.
Go.
Sandali. Nag-start na ba? Ayan na. Ready? Play mo.
Tugtog muna.
Madness by Muse. Ayan.
Pasok.
All right. We're gonna do the roll call.
Wait muna. Wala pa tugtog, ha?
Gusto ko yung parang tinotont nila tayo. Hindi ako na-offend. Kakayanin natin to. LOL, try nyo from Melbourne. Thank
Wala
you.
ata sa playlist
Cool to
yun.
pay.
Wala na sa playlist yun. Kahit ano tugtog na.
Wala. Alam ko na.
Dito.
Tambay by Sponge Cola. First 5 seconds. Okay. Ready na natin. From my hometown, hi to Bianca Doodle in San Juan. Oh my God. Ang bilis ng playback. Wait.
Go.
Nandito pa lang ako sa umpisa eh. Meron ng 100 new messages. Paano ko aabutin yung dulo? Guys, relax lang. Ayan na sila. Type sila ng type.
Go. Basahin mo na.
Okay?
Ako ba o ikaw? Alternate ba? Ikaw lalay. Ikaw na lang.
Basta nandito pa ako sa I have 100 new messages. Okay.
Go.
What's up to Bianca Doodle in San Juan? Laguna, Jer Box, we got that. Thank you. All Rock from Ortigas right here. My Teddy, M-I-Y Teddy. 03 in Makati, we got Juan in Auckland, New Zealand. Yes, Bianca Doodle again in San Juan. Cool to P in Melbourne. Hello to you down under. Let's go, guys. Okay. Cavite, we got Graze 05. This is Tambay by Sponge Cola. On the background, Wong 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 by Alvin. Ano yan? Niloloko mo ba kami? Jason in Cainta Rizal. Tara ng experience. Yang, thank you so much. Yes. We are not going anywhere. Margarita 43, thank you for staying.
Basahin mo lang.
Oh my God. Okay, let's go, Kay. Thank you. May pera. Ano to? Binigyan niya tayo ng pera. Joyce in Las Vegas. Kumita tayo. May bayad pala to. Lainey from Pasig, Perth, Australia. We got Evil Flow. We got, oh my gosh, Honey Girl from Bislig City, Surigao. Yes, Jewel from Isabela. Ang bilis. Kuya Alex, tulungan mo ako. Donate lahat, sabi ni Burnok. Oh my gosh. May bayad yan from Bagumbong, Caloocan City. Thank you. Payaras Dump Site from Winks. Bagal. Ano?
Ito na music mo.
Bad Gal from Tagaytay. Melbourne in the house. Ano?
Go.
Bam Bam Tarlac. We've got Kevin.
Go.
Anne-Marie and Makati, you can do it. Ina from Mandaluyong. Oh my God, inuupo na ako. Go, Kuya Alex.
Ako na yung music. Na yung music. Ayan, no? Oh.
Wala. Choppy ka. Basahin mo lang.
Sayang.
Well,
Tapos na ba? Ako na. Ayusin natin, ha? Para makita mo. Parang mode twister to. Mode twister. Okay.
Go.
Okay.
Tamba yung music eh. Go lang.
Okay. RJ from Malabon. JK Hayes from Cavite. Pittsburgh, California. Si Oman. Florida. Adser. Si Laguna. Bahala na kayo. Alam niyo kung taga saan kayo. Si Rika, 27 ng Paranaque. Tapos si Vancouver. Si Ana. Tapos si Maesp. Pilas Burgis. Ha. Yur, San Francisco, tumawa ka pa. Alam mo na nagbabasa ako. San Francisco, Addictive. Si
Wings from Pangasinan.
Sep Kalamba. Tapos sino pa? Tapos si...
Bilis?
Pagpingit ng mga comments. Masira ulo pala ako eh.
Huwag mo silang awayin.
Tapos, ayusin niyo yung username nyo.
May nag-donate ulit. Oh my God.
Tapos, Eds ng CDO, Picamon, Times Street, Quezon City. Huwag nyo na lang sa street. Nemas, Pepsi San Probia Pom, Tichi Japan, Puki.
Relax.
Isa lang bro, Tokyo. Si Lester ng Lester Video. Pati ba naman bangko?
Wow.
Ang yung branches, Los Baños, Laguna, J. Beltran. Si Cavite, si... Ang hirap nito. Focus lang tayo. Go! 1, 2, go!
Binangonan Rizal, I am the Tinker.
Yes, okay. Anton 9.
Roy Rogers from Batangas.
Kupang, wala namang kwenta yung lugar na yun. Newcastle, Sydney, Phuket, New Zealand.
Kay Luma from Green Hills. Hello. Oh, may taga-copies pa. Binyan Laguna, Icha.
Puti gising ka pa, taga-copies.
Walmart. Ay, tapos na yung kanta.
Okay na.
Bali. Uy, Kichis in Bali. Wow. Clark
North
Pampanga.
Adelaide. Yan, Tito Gab, Newcastle, BGB, Nova. Mike
Rio from
Dermanton,
France. Bonjour.
Union, New Jersey, si RRS Mama, Ermita, Manila, si Tabaco
Tinola
Ginto,
from LA.
Margarita, Singapore, San Dimas, California, Rose Inc.
Grabe, may
Shanks,
nagbigay ng
0908.
address.
Oo nga, nagbibigay pa ng address. Skyros.
Calcalo, Victoria. Tama ba yun? Hi, Steph Cerilio.
Okay na.
New Jersey. Taga dyan lang ako sa kanto.
Oo.
Hoy, may
Alex,
pumalak
anak
pa.
mo ko.
Tanawan, Batangas.
Yan. Yun, okay.
Hello,
Okay na.
everybody. And may hospital ng Maynila, Red Med. You know, our first ever donation, we gave it to hospital ng Maynila nung nag-acquire ako sa high school. Bumili kami isang machine. I love it. Hello, guys. Thank you for the donations. Ani natin tong pera. Paano to? Asan natin makikita kung magkano kinita? At paano natin i-claim yan? We have 119 pesos. Oh my God.
Kay Mo, mapupunta kay Mo yan.
Send good times a message with a tip. Ano to? Ano, bakit 119 yung sa akin yan?
Hindi mapupunta sa'yo.
Hindi, nakalagay sa account ko eh. Oh, may
Seryoso?
nagbigay ng $3. Ituloy nyo hanggang 10
PM daw. O, binibigyan tayo. Yan. Okay. Inuubo tuloy yung cake.
Ha? Oo nga, tagal na natong subon ko 1 week.
Pa-mention naman Alex Calya from Pasig, Pat Filler. Yan.
Nasagot na ang tanong ni Kay. Kung may bayad ba to? Thanks, Clark Angelo.
Yan.
Wow, dami.
Watching from Sinang Cavite, Chang.
Listening from QC Katipunan traffic. Oh my gosh.
Yes, almost. Alam naman natin lahat
Hello,
na traffic.
guys. So, yeah. Ay, ang ganda natin sa ano.
Yan,
playback.
sabi, hello sa inyo lahat. Okay na. Okay
Gusto
na.
nila to, kagulo, chaotic episode.
Ayan.
Hindi nyo to makikita sa Spotify.
Yan.
Hirap pala ng job
Talagang umalis si Mo, no?
Oh, ganun lang. Hindi man lang nagpaalam. Nagpaalam ako kung pwede ako mag-promote ng concert ng ninong ko. Tapos sabi niya, you guys can do anything. Yung pala kasi aalis na siya. So, with that said, the King Forever 42nd Anniversary Concert next Friday, September 27, Smart Araneta Coliseum. The King Forever, Mr. Martin Rivera, my ninong. Tickets are available at ticketnet.com.ph. Yan. Hi to
ayan.
Augie Alcacid. Kuya Augie is the producer of this concert.
Ito, the boy backup. Boy pick-up. Di ba? Boy pick-up.
Oh.
Kasi boy backup naman si Erin Newman. Anyway,
Boom!
para sa mga nagtatanong ba tumaalis si Mo ng maaga, si Amsterdam is inahatid.
She just has an activity and he's being a good dad. So that's cool.
Ito naman ang mga post niya eh.
Oh, ito
Bonding
na
time
naman. May $2.99 ulit.
Oo, yan.
Ano yan? Okay
Pero,
lang.
supportan na lang natin si Mo kung ano man siya ngayon. Kasi, di ba, siyempre naman, makikita naman natin yung progress na isang tao from may malungkot na panahon. Tapos ngayon, nagtatransition siya. Kaya kung ano man yung nakikita natin na
Bakit mo siya ni-report?
pagbabago sa katawan, yung pagbabago sa katawan, nag-aayos-ayos na ulit, i-support na lang natin. Keep it up, Mo.
Napulutan daw tuloy kasi wala.
Hindi naman natin pabulutan. Kailangan natin pag-usapan yung kaibigan natin. Total, wala siya kasi naku-conscious siya. Yung pag-aayos niya, sana matuwa na lang tayo. Kasi, aminin natin, dati naman siyang galing sa trabaho, tapos hindi naman siya masyadong ganun eh. Ngayon sinasabi niya, galing siya sa work, maayos siya. May ano yan, tayo pa ba naman magsisinungaling? Nakaka-inspire talaga. Di ba?
Tama. And with that, anong topic yan? Para magka-callers naman.
Ibig sabihin, anong mga pagbabago ang ginawa mo para sa isang karelasyon? Bawa, anong negative ang naatanggal mo?
Oh, I will start.
Diba?
From Yael, what he did was he stopped smoking for me. So,
See? Isa yun. Anong ginawa mo para sa isang tao? Regardless kung anong nangyari.
Sakripisyo ba yan? Or
Anong
what?
sakripisyo ang ginawa mo?
Or
para sa isang tao?
pagpapa-beauty?
Oo.
slight changes. Ako, siguro nag-ready ako ng maraming black shirt para pag nanood ako ng gig. Pero hindi ko pa rin nagawa. Ako lang yung hindi black sa mga gig. Makikita mo. Ako yung
Talaga?
medyo stand out.
Hindi ka naman nag-black? Okay.
Hindi masyado. Oh, ito
Nag-black ka
na.
kahapon.
Oo. Nagpaalam pa ako. Sweater ni Elian. Oh, ito na. May
Color.
mga color.
Sige,
Yeah. Magandang umaga. Meron tayong mga caller. Magic 89.9. What's
Sige,
up?
mag-English ka pa rin. Okay, social naman to sa stasyon na to. Pag sumasagot ka ng telepono, nagiging AM ka. Kami mo
Good
social.
morning. Hi. Who's
Good
this? My
morning.
second caller. What's your name?
Hi, I'm too bad wala si Mono.
Huwag ka nang tumawag sana. Huwag ka na sana to. Na-open kami doon. Na-open kami doon.
Alam mo,
What's-
in the
ano yan?
beginning, I was thinking, akala ko hindi perfect fit si Sir Alex. Pero ang galing mo pala.
Sobra. He will surprise you. He's like an
Yeah.
amazing guy.
I'm so surprised na every day, he wasn't my cup of tea at the first. Pero ngayon, hinahanap ko na siya pag wala siya.
Oh, hanap kita.
Now, regarding your question ko a while ago, yung binago ko
Yeah.
positively with my current relationship. I've been married for 8 years.
Aha.
Growing up, hindi ko alam how negative person I was. Like,
Ooh.
in Tagalog, parang nakasinghal, parang lagi kang galit. Kasi I grew up with
Nakasinghal? Ooh.
nakasinghal, yung parang laging galit. Laging
Oy.
galit agad. So, pag kinokorrect ako, kasi love is corrective, right? So, pag kinokorrect ako, parang lagi akong galit. Or pag tinatanong pa lang ako, galit na ako agad. And my husband is a very chill person. So, through the years, natutunan ko to be calm and to be peaceful like he is. Tapos, through the years, mas naging okay yung marriage namin.
So dati problema ka, no?
Yes. Kasi hindi mo alam na you're such a gray cloud in the room. Tapos all along, kala mo ikaw yung magaling. I was a proud
Oo.
person. It was a humbling experience. As ngayon, okay na kami. As in, mas maganda yung relationship.
Yeah. Parang it rubs off on you, no? And then you
Thank
kind of get
you
the
nga pala
chill.
sa papuri mo.
That's her own way of saying, you grew on her. I mean, diba? Ganun naman eh. Parang you give
Oo.
people a chance and then, you get to know the real them. Hindi yung parang, yung paumpisa.
Yes. Actually, I'm looking at yung show niya sa BGC.
See?
Hindi ko pa lang na-pitch in sa husband ko. Pero
See you
yung
there. October 4 is the day that we're gonna be there. Yeah. Well, thank you
Yun
so much
lang.
again for calling. My second
Thank
caller.
you.
Bye.
O,
Have a
tawag
great
lang kayo
day.
kung ano ang mga binago nyo.
Ito,
Dahil sa
may
isang
caller pa, Kuya Alex.
tawag talaga yan.
All right. We are picking up the phone. Do I press it? Or andyan na?
Uy, may iba pang Uy, by the way, malapit na maubos yung October 4 and 5. Gusto ko na siya i-sold out para maka-focus na sa Music Museum and
Yes.
Insular Life.
Oh,
So
we have
please,
a caller.
konting-konti na
We have
lang.
a caller.
Konting-konti lang. Yan, go.
Good morning.
Hi, good morning.
Magic 89.9. This is Karel
Good morning.
and Alex.
Yes.
Taking over the
Hi.
good times. What's your name?
Hi, I'm Ace. Good morning.
Ace?
Morning.
Hey.
Yes. Good morning, Alex and Karel.
Hey, what's up? How are you?
I'm good. I'm stuck in traffic in Katipunan.
Oh, ikaw ba yung
about the
nagme-message?
Yeah. About the topic, one of the things I changed for my partner is taking photos together. Before, I didn't like taking photos with my partner, but with the new partner I have right now, I like taking photos with her.
Yeah. it's
Do you
nice to
mind,
look
wife
back.
partner? Ano bang ano mo?
Ano?
The young
She's a
ones
girl.
like to.
She's a girl.
I think
Ah,
the
it's a
young
girl.
ones like to say partner now
Hindi,
because
baka kasi hindi pa married kaya partner, tama ba?
No, not yet. Not yet.
yeah.
Yan, tama naman.
But also, a lot of the young kids like to say partner, especially and especially for you. Yun yung napansin ko. I guess because it's a more general term and they want to include everybody and not have to
Yeah.
label kung babae, lalaki. It doesn't matter. Basta it's your partner. Parang
Oo.
ganun.
Tama
So,
naman.
yeah. So,
And also,
nagpipicture
she's
kayo
Pobedan,
madalas?
Karel.
Oh, she's Pavenan. Hola,
Knows
hermana.
you.
Hermanita.
Mm.
So that's cool. So do you really like take a lot of selfies or yung talagang pinaplan mo na yung shots everywhere?
No, I'm just aware whenever we go out and dine out. I
Mm-mm.
want to have a lot of memories with her.
Yeah.
So, yeah, I'm self-aware lang.
Now, yeah. Yung parang hindi ka bad trip when you take a photo. Parang ganun.
Yeah, not self-conscious too much.
Yeah, it's just part of life nowadays.
Pero nag-away ba muna kayo to make the transition o it was just you parang gradually adapting to...
No, ever since na I was with her, it was my self-conviction to have a lot of memories with her through photos.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Tsaka ano yan talaga, lalo na pag nag-aaway kayo, babalik-balik naman yung happy moments
Yeah.
just to remember.
Yeah,
Yes.
shout out to
Okay.
Elise.
Hi, Elise Armanita. Hello.
Yeah. Sige, thank you
Have a great
Okay,
life
thank you,
together.
thank you.
Ingat sa
Maraming
pagdadrive.
salamat sa
You guys are
pagtawag.
doing a good job. Bye-bye.
Natin. Thank you.
Ako na-offend kasi ba't ang daming pera? Magsastay naman kami dito kahit walang donation, no? So,
Oo nga,
paano
tama.
to?
Oo naman.
Paano nga ba to?
Ano?
Ang gagawin natin sa pera?
Wag mo din yung kay...
Doon ako medyo na-weird na.
Sa playback mo pupunta yan, tumanggap ka na lang ulit ng calls.
Oh, yes. We have another
Oo.
call. Hello? Wait, I have to press it. Okay, ito na. Magic. Hello. Good morning.
Good morning.
Hi, what's your name?
Gusto ko lang malamdam nila. Sandali, gusto ko lang malamdam dito si Mo. Are you using a speakerphone?
No.
Oo, ano to? Loyal listener, alam niya yung mga
Ako ngayon
rules.
si ano.
Na-offend siya sa sarili niya kasi ba't di mo alam
Magiging
na
tamaw ako.
loyal listener yan. Hi, what's your name?
My name is Kay.
Oh, it's
Okay.
my katukayo. You know, yeah. Hi, Kay. What's up?
Ano ulit yung question? Ay, sorry.
Okay, thank you very much. Have a nice day. That's
Gets niya yung routine. So ano nga? Anong binago
Ano?
mo?
Oo,
Kasi
binago mo.
introvert ako, tapos yung partner is extrovert. So, natuto
Oo.
akong makimingle.
Yung mahilig mag socialize, labas ng labas.
Oo.
So naiiwan ka ba minsan sa corner or hindi naman?
Minsan.
Yeah, I think we also have to be comfortable with that. Like when you're out, like as a duo, diba? Pag may kasama kang partner, parang kailangan chill ka lang pag naiwan ka tapos hanap ka rin na kausap mo.
Sandali, naging introvert yung ikaw, tapos extrovert yung partner mo. Ano ba nangyari? Ayoko naman naging extrovert ka. Ibig sabihin, that's one way, no? Ano nangyari? Nagkaroon ba kayo ng middle ground to say, sasama ako sa ganitong extrovert activities mo but sometimes you have to understand my being introvert or talagang ikaw lang nag-adjust?
Introvert pa rin naman, pero well-adjusted na kasi
Oo.
extrovert siya.
Kumbaga, pag sinabing lalabas tayo, sama ka. Parang ganun, hindi ka papaiwan sa bahay. Yeah.
Oo.
Yes, that's fine.
Ganun eh.
sabi
Pero
nga nila.
alam mo, mas mahirap mag-adjust for me ang isang introvert to come out. Kasi ang extrovert, minsan may trip ka rin naman na ayaw mo umalis eh. Ayaw mo mag-usap. Madaling parang Para sa akin yung introvert ang mas mahirap mag-adjust kaysa yung extrovert ka. All you have to do is be quiet sa extrovert. And then,
Tama.
for a while
Oh, yeah. Well, see.
Ngayon, pagka ako naghalo, di ba? Introvert, extrovert, pervert.
Oh my God.
Just joking. Yeah. Nasaan ka ngayon? Nasaan ka ngayon yung caller? Nasaan siya ngayon?
Kisang ka.
Pabalik na ng Manila, galing Boracay.
Kung
sayang.
Burako.
So, nasa private plane ka ngayon.
Hindi naman.
Ang galing talaga, murang-murang ngayon sa Boracay. Tag-ulan eh.
Parang gusto ko mag-beach. Nakakainggan.
Gusto mo na mag-beach, Kay?
Tagal ko na, parang 2 years na ako hindi nag-beach.
Talaga ba?
Why?
Wala nang breakup na mangyayari.
I love it. You're so updated with our lives. Thank you
Masyado
for...
kang extrovert girl Medyo ibalik mo yung pagka-introvert mo.
Thank you for knowing my life.
Of course.
Yan, ingat.
Thanks, Kay.
Thank you.
Listen to
Pabalik na
Kay's
naman.
Drama.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. Oh, yes. Listen to Kay's Drama. The new episode is out. It's a walking episode in Singapore.
Oo. Ako naman sa Punchline, guess ko si Attorney Kapunan. Punchline with Alex Caldera.
Oh, intense. Oh,
Yes,
we're going to take a
ano?
break at 8:15. So let's take a few more calls because the phones are buzzing here at the station.
Please, reminder speakerphone, wag, and please
Alam nila
turn up the
yan.
radio.
Ito na. Good morning, Magic 89.9.
Hi, good morning.
Ginaganda nila yung voice niya. What's up? What's your name?
This is Grace.
Hi, Grace.
Oh, Grace.
I have nothing to say about the topic, but I just want to say I'm a super fan of Kay and Alex. So love this show. I listen and interact through playback every day.
Every day. Oh my God, that is intense.
You guys
Yeah.
keep me company every morning and every weekend for the podcast.
I
Nothing
love
about the
it.
topic, but I just want to show my appreciation.
Just a
Thank you,
shower
Grace.
of love. Thank you,
Yes.
Grace.
Thank
Tawag
you.
ka lagi, Grace,
Goodbye,
ha?
guys.
Para daily Grace.
Thank you, Alex. I love you.
Give us
Bye-bye.
today our daily grace. Oh my gosh. Bakit puro girl colors? Yes, colors. Oh, we got more calls. Let's answer
Yeah,
it
I
again.
know,
Let's go,
I
let's
know.
go. Ito, kaliwa.
Ito.
Kaliwa, kaliwa. Good morning, Magic 89.9. Call center.
Hi, good morning.
Hey,
Morning,
what's
Kim.
Hello.
Morning,
Oy.
Alex.
who's this?
This is Carl.
Hey, Carl.
Carl, how are you?
Yeah. But medyo hindi nakakatakot pag kayo yung nandiyan sa show.
God,
Natatakot
hindi ka
po ako tumawag pag
na-intimidate. Na-offend
Yes.
ako.
ganon?
So, ano ang iyong kwento, Carl?
Yes po, mag-comment lang po ako dun sa nabago ko nung na-meet ko yung partner ko. Bali, hindi na po ako nanonood. Hindi ko po alam kung pwede sa radio to, pero hindi na po ako nanonood ng mga explicit videos.
Porn yun. Pwede yung sabihin porn.
Or ano, may
Explicit
bad
video.
words. Diba?
Oo.
Explicit
Opo.
din yan.
Pwede pa
Opo,
rin yun.
bali,
Porn.
Hindi na po ako nanonood ng ganun kasi yung partner ko po, feeling ko siya na yung pinakamaganda sa mata ko. Ayoko na pong mapunta sa ganung algorithm.
May kasalanan ka ba? Kaya ka ganyan ngayon tumatawag?
Hindi po, sinasabi ko lang po yung totoong experience ko, sir.
Okay. Kailan ka nagsimulang natapos na manood ng porn? Kailan ka nag-end?
Ano po, mga 2 years na po kami.
Nako, sayang. Ang ganda naman ni-release ngayon na
Oh,
after 2
wow.
years. Medyo
Prinomote mo pa.
naka-K, ano na tayo?
Ano
4K
K?
din, 4K na yan,
4K.
Oo, try mo ha. Try mo yung
Ayoko po.
Tapos na siya sa
Okay
face
lang
niya
naman
na
yung para
yun.
konti-konti. Pasundot-sundot lang para updated ka lang.
But some people kasi when they can't have a little, they have parang addictive personality. So baka ganun siya. So ayaw na niya. So zero.
Pag Viva Max ka lang para parang wag kang mag-cold turkey. Gradual
Tapos
lang.
na
Hindi, joke.
siya.
Congrats
2
sa'yo,
years
congrats
na
sa'yo.
eh.
Joke ka lang,
Mahirap
congrats sa'yo.
ibalik.
Okay.
Yun lang po. Thank you po.
Thanks,
Sige.
Carl.
Okay na po tayo.
yung honest ano niya.
Hindi ako naniniwala
Hindi mo
doon. Ba't niya
tinatanggap.
Hindi
Gusto
naman.
pong baguhin.
Explicit pa
Okay.
tinawag.
Oh, wait. The lines are full. Let's answer
The
another
lines are
call.
full.
Left.
Yes.
Good morning, Magic 89.9.
Morning!
Hey!
Ay,
Hi,
nice.
good morning. This is Alvis all the way from Cavitex.
Hey, Captain.
All the way, yes.
Thank you for for the effort na pumunta sa for taking the call. And Alex is October 4.
October. Oh, see you there. And we're giving
Thank you.
away pens and everything. And then I'll be in the merch booth. So you can buy the
Si
merch
Alex
from
lang
me.
sapat na, bossing. Si Alex
Ano?
lang sapat na.
Alex
Si
lang
Alex lang
sapat
sapat na.
na.
Kahit walang ballpen, Alex. Yeah.
Punta kayo. Huwag tayong magplastikan dito. Gusto nyo rin yung merch.
Ang ganda ng ballpen. No? Tinan mo.
Pilot,
Thanks, Pilot.
Katimpo.
Correct. Singit ko rin, Boss Alex, si Sam, pwede
Ano?
naman mag-online no?
Oo.
Ewan ko ba
Sino?
na-
Hindi, busy siya eh. Saving
Kaya,
the
huwag na tayo
world.
manira. Hindi, okay naman yan, ha?
Oh my
Sa
gosh.
survey na lang, sagutin nyo na lang. Sino
Yes.
pinakagusto nyo?
Pero magkwento ka na kasi may break. Sorry.
Yun, yung regarding sa topic, yung nag-change sa akin yung faith. Basically, hindi naman ganong full-fledged talaga na
Yes.
faith. Pero
Ah.
parang talagang I mean, nagdadasal na,
Oo.
once
Parang
in a
yun
while,
yung na-share niya sa'yo.
Yeah. Pero ayun din yung naging namin, yung cause of breakup namin. So, yeah.
Ano? Ayun na naging cause ng breakup nyo. Bakit?
Kasi INC siya eh. So, I need to be converted sa INC and I don't know.
I see. Pero at
may ganun
least you
talaga.
found your own faith journey. Kasi
Yes.
everyone has a different one. And hindi naman nagsasabay yun eh. But at least it started you on yours. Parang ganun, no?
Correct.
Oo, no?
Cool.
Oo. Which is magandang topic natin yung pagbalik.
Yeah.
Ang topic natin pagbalik para ready kayo.
Wow.
Para
Sila
makapag-isip kayo.
i-research pa.
Anong mga reason ba't kayo naipag-break? Yung mga talagang matinding reason ba't nag-break kayo. Katulad niyan, ang deal breaker nila is the conversion from one religion to another.
Yeah.
What are the reasons kung bakit kayo nag-break? Kasi baka makarinig tayo kayo ng mga
Yes.
topic na ang petty pero nag-break.
Pero,
So mayroon pala. At
pero
minsan naman,
tayo, Kuya Alex, ikaw at ako, magbe-break tayo
Magbe-break
dahil
tayo.
8:15
That's one.
na.
Yes.
Back
Bebe,
after
gusto mo ba
this.
ako mag-extra?
Back after this. Yun na yun.
Okay.
We'll be
Wala ko pinagbigyan.
Good times. Good times.
Yeah, that was Good Graces by Sabrina Carpenter. Napanood mo ba siya sa VMAs?
Hindi.
She kissed an alien. Di mo
Talaga?
napanood?
Anong alien? Parang hindi taga US o taga ibang planeta?
Kasi yung
Kasi marami
VMAs,
definition
diba?
ng alien
Hindi, yung VMAs kasi, diba, parang yung award nun is a Moon Man. It has always been my dream to win a Moon Man award. Kasi ang dami nun sa Universal Records Office dati, mga parokya ni Edgar Awards. Kaya yun yung, they had a giant Moon Man.
By the way, maraming salamat dun sa listener natin kasi nag-mention ako na si Paul McCartney's na-mention ko Eagles. Sorry, Wings pala. So thank you.
The song?
I was the band ang naging banda ni Paul McCartney's Wings and na-mention ko ata Eagles.
I'm sorry, Kuya Alex.
Yung Eagles kasi may wings kaya
It's Sir Paul McCartney. He's an
Sir Paul
actual
McCartney.
sir. Yeah,
Sir
I've
Paul
seen him
McCartney.
in Vegas. He's like an amazing performer. I love the Beatles.
Saka yung goal ko talaga ngayon binisita ko yung Maybank. Alam naman kayo nag-perform ka doon, di ba? Binisita ko yung Maybank. Yung level 3 is not such a bad area.
It's a good area. Even the side seats are fun.
Sana itulungan niyo akong ma-sold out na yun.
Ilang tickets na lang ba? Parang konti na lang eh.
One is like mga 40 tickets na lang sa level 3 and the other one is like 70 tickets. So gusto ko lang para yung Music Museum and Insular Life mag-focus na doon. And anyway, ayun lang naman. Sana tulungan niyo ako.
Yeah, lapit na yan.
Yan,
Just let me know. We got some community partners in BGC.
Sa Showtime ba kayo? Ano pa rin kayo? You're live o may may
Yeah, we're so live.
Live pa rin?
See you there later and I'll be wearing this. That will be the proof. Na live
Okay yung throwback. Okay yung throwback na no?
Throwbacks. Masaya.
Throwbacks. Yan. So, yan. Before we took the break kanina, sabi natin pag-uusapan natin.
Yeah,
Okay.
we were gonna talk about breakups.
Breakups? Ano yung mga matitinding mga, yung mga petty at pinakamatindi. Gusto na yung marinig yun. The usual na mga third party.
Ayan,
Okay
may
na yun.
tumatawag na agad. Sobrang nilang ready for the
diba?
oral exams. Ito na. Game na ba?
Yan. Di ba? Yan, sige. Ano
We
natin?
got our first caller.
Hello, good
Hi,
morning.
good morning. What's your
Sabi ng
name?
babae, tatawag muna.
Ano
My name is
pangalan?
Ella.
Hi, Ella.
Ella.
Like Cinderella.
Yeah. Sa akin, yung reason ng breakup namin, it's very petty naman, pero nakakabuisit lang.
Ano yun?
Kasi one time, like I had this boyfriend of mine, ex-boyfriend ko na. 3 years, parang we've been together for 3 years. And then, kasi mga college pa kami, mga bata pa kami noon. So, di ba pag pinapakilala sa parents, parang, yung una, parang pinakilala ko at first, tapos parang nagpaparinig na siya na, baka mag-asawa na agad kayo, ganyan-ganyan. So sabi ko, parang hindi naman siguro, tita, kasi bata pa po kami at the same time. Hindi, kasi seaman siya eh. So, parang he's the oldest. So, he's the eldest.
Sa family nila.
Oo. And then one time, nag-overnight kami doon kasi may event sa school nila na parang grad ball ba yun, and then they had to join one participants pa. And then ako yung sinama. Natapos yung party ng 2 a.m. Nag-overnight kami sa bahay nila. Tapos, alam mo ba yung ginawa ng parents niya? So, while we were sleeping, ako, natutulog, pinatayan ako ng electric fan.
You're not welcome here sa bahay.
Pinatayan ng electric.
Grad ball.
Tapos, alam mo yung, gigising ka na sobrang dami ng pawis. Tapos yung electric fan tapos tinanong ko na lang yung ex-boyfriend ko, sino pumatay? Hindi, kasi usually kasi nagpapatay daw ng electric fan mga alas 7. Talaga ba? Kahit natutulog pa ako. Napaka-bad. So parang...
Okay na yun. At least nakawala ka doon sa pamilya. Di ba? Ngayon, may asawa ka na ba?
Yes.
Di ba?
Yes. Pag kinukwento ko yun sa asawa ko, parang sinasabi ng asawa ko na, alam mo yung gigil mo siguro everyday na pag kinukwento mo yun, nararamdam ko pa din hanggang ngayon.
Hindi pa nag-cool off. Ang ganda. Pinatayan ka ng electric fan.
Yes. Ang yabang pa ng family nila sobra. As in, parang basta buti na lang talaga nakawala ako doon.
Yung nainitan ka, hindi ka nagtanggal ng damit para
Ay,
hindi ka
grabe.
mainitan. Baka naman kasi boyfriend mo gumawa nun. Baka style lang ng boyfriend mo na para magubad to, patayin ko nga electric. Hindi natin alam.
Sa living room kami naka-stay. So,
Baka kasi hindi welcome yung mga overnight. Siyempre,
Oo,
baka
buti
strict
nga,
yung
hindi ka
parents.
nagising, nag-aalmusal na sila sa tapat mo, mga ganun. Sa sala ka pala eh, ikaw ang istorbo.
pinadala ako ng electric fan.
Pinapauwi ka na. Hindi ka
Oo,
dapat natulog
hindi ka pa
doon,
nakaramdam.
kumbagan.
Oo.
And then
Alas
yun,
7 na,
hindi
girl.
na ako bumalik.
Tama. Kasi hindi ka
Tama.
talaga papapasukin kung bumalik ka.
Oo,
man.
sana sumali ka sa promo ko, Sharp Electric Fan, pinamigay ko.
Ay, Alex, see you sa either birthday gift ko sa asawa ko is yung October 10 mo sa may film.
October 12 yun, October 10 wala ako doon.
Sa film. Yeah.
Yay, everyone's
Ito lang.
excited.
Ito lang.
Thanks. See you there.
Thanks.
Ay, hindi wala pala ako doon, pero see you at the concerts. Ano
Bye,
ba
Ella.
tawag? Concert ba tawag?
Hindi na, it's a show.
It's a show. It's just a show. Pero hindi, no? I mean, that's a really great gift. In-explain ko the other day na, my body is a wonderland of pain because I have scoliosis, etc. So I always do therapy for it and I do Pilates nga kasi ang dami. Pero yung one day na tawa tayo ng tawa sa studio, sabi talaga nung trainer ko, ang ganda ng movement ng katawan mo. Sabi ko, dahil tawa ako ng tawa kay Kuya Alex, so do yourselves a favor and get tickets to his show and experience it like in the moment, in his presence. Comedy is really a gift. I mean, it's not always easy to be a comedian. So the fact that you do it, it's really a gift to mankind because laughing is great for your body.
Salamat, Kay, ha? Si Kay talaga
Look at
komedyante
me.
rin na rin.
Look how good
Caller
my
ba
body
tayo?
is just spending time with. Because I have to go soon because my back therapy. But
Yeah.
let's stay a while.
Ako nung kausama ko si Mara, diniagnose niya ako by just looking at me. Sabi niya, Miss Colio ka, no? Sabi niya, mo. Tapos, siguro yung sapatos mo hindi na pantay. Sabi ko, ang galing ni Mara, pagpunta namin sa Midson Deli, na-check niya yung health ko.
Speaking of Mara, asan ka? Gising na. Ang dami na
diba?
oh my gosh, may nagpadala. $7.99.
Masyado hindi yan.
Anong meaning na may time? Yun yung time na sinend nila. Thank you to Jeff Toss of Sydney and Munikeka.
Naku, maghintay kayo sa Sydney. Andiyan kami. Excited talaga ako dyan. First time ko kasi dyan kayo sa Australia eh. Oo.
Uy, andito na the immortal JPE. Bakit may ganon? Tas immortal.
Si JPE, si Juan Ponce Enrile yan. Ginagawa
And
niya.
bakit nakalagay doon immortal? Ang galing naman.
Siyempre, di ba, ang tagal na ng buhay ngayon ni Senator Juan Ponce Enrile. Alam ko, tanggap niya na yan eh. In fact, kung tatagpo ko siya sa Senator, yan pa rin ang gagawin niyang parang battle cry, di ba?
Recycle
Di ba,
lang. Uy, pumunta ka daw sa Brisbane, sabi ni Chelsea BH.
Oo, binabala ko rin eh. Napakahiwaga ng Australia, no? Ang dami nilang time zone. Tapos isa silang
Nahihiwagaan ka. I love it.
Oo, kasi ang ganda ng mga positioning nila. And then, ngayon ko na napag-aaralan. Napakaganda nun.
Are we gonna answer one last call?
Yes. So, breakup reason.
Kanan
Yan,
o kaliwa?
8:30 pa lang. Are you leaving na?
Kanan. In a bit, yeah.
Yan, okay.
Let's
Tell me para alam ko. Ayoko naman maiwan mag-solo dito.
Let's answer the phone. Hello, Magic 89.9. Who's this?
Hello, yeah. Good morning, Kay. Good morning, Alex. This is
Hi.
Jay.
Good morning.
Who?
Jay.
Hey, Jay.
Hey, Jay.
Yeah,
Jay comes before K.
Yeah, I just broke up with this girlfriend of mine because she couldn't wait for my marriage to be annulled. I have been in that situation for 10 years already, and my annulment has been dragging on for years. And
Ilang years? Sorry if I can ask.
actually, it's been 4 years now.
Yeah, takes a while, no?
Yeah, so well, she couldn't wait, and then suddenly one night she just messaged me, and she said that I can't wait anymore. So that's it.
Ooh.
Yeah. By the way, Alex, I bought 40 tickets for your show.
40?
Staff. Yeah.
Wow.
Talaga ba? Ba't di
Ilang
ka
rep ang
nag-avail?
meron ka?
Ba't di ka nag-avail ng rep?
Hindi, send mo pa. Just
No,
send
it's okay.
No.
It's okay.
Kunin mo, tas pamigay mo.
Pamigay mo sa staff mo, sayang.
Yeah, okay. I'll ask my secretary what she did.
May natitira pa ako isang rep sa isang air purifier.
Tapos iparaffle mo na lang sa Pasko.
Saan yan? Anong date yan? Anong date?
I think it's in Music Museum, if I'm not mistaken.
Nice.
Dalawang ref
doon.
yun, sabi nila.
Yeah.
Isa na lang ang rep ko, kaya
Ni
isang
bite
rep,
size.
dalawang oven.
Yeah, invite ka rin yung ex ko.
Oo, saka keep
Baka
on promoting,
magkabalikan
mayaman
kayo.
to, may kumpanya to. Anong business mo? Anong business mo, Jay?
We're into construction. Yeah.
Love it.
Kunin mo lahat ng mga
Hindi, so papamigay mo yung 40 tickets. That's great. Thank you for supporting.
I think it was already distributed. Yeah.
Have fun. That's a great gift. If
Kaya ba wala tayong magpasok ng martilyo sa lagari sa venue?
Thank you. Good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, okay.
Yay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. 40, kaya pala.
Kaya pala pa-sold out ka
Sabi
na.
hindi mo kailangan maraming fans Kailangan mo lang na may perang fans.
Grabe ko.
Pili mo kung 4 lang fans mo tapos may tiga 40 tao. O di 160 na kagad yun.
Grabe, big shot nun. 40.
Diba?
I'm just
40
gonna buy
binili.
40 tickets. Lala.
Hanap nga ako ng mga fans na katulad ni Philippine Airlines Vice President for Corporate Affairs, Liz Anchongco, di ba? Or Pure Gold Director and President Vincent ko.
Kailangan pa. Ang dami naman maimigay ng pera dito sa playback. Hihingin ka lang pala. Hindi nga tayo humingi. Ang dami nagbigay eh. Naka $100 na kaya tayo. Wow. Oh, see you and the comedy crew sa Subic bukas.
Oo, nako. Oy, punuin nyo nga yung The Palace kasi yung The Palace na pressure. Sa Sabado, September 20. Pakita nyo nga yung powers ng mga rich fans ko. September 20.
Kala ko ba mag-slow down ka before your birthday?
Doon ako sa outside Metro Manila. Kasi doon ko gagawin yung mga set ko, napapracticein ko. I need to really try it.
Got it.
So dapat outside Metro Manila para
That
pag
is
pumunta
your
ka pa doon,
process.
taga Metro Manila ka, medyo may pagka-stalker ka. Medyo papagalitan na kita noon. Di ba? Maghintay ka naman sa sa birthday show.
Tama.
Ikaw, okay, bago pa mag-concert, alam ko nagre-rest, pero ano ba talaga yung para sa isang singer, yung rest before the concert? Kasi kami, comedian, kahit di ba?
Well, I haven't been doing a lot of concerts, parang guestings lang, but for a play, grabe yung training. I consider myself parang athlete mode ka. Para I swim every day in the morning, tapos nagsisteam ako para, hindi ako inuubo parang ngayon. Tapos kailangan, pink of health ka para hindi ka nag-absent. Kasi once you miss one rehearsal, ang dami mong catch up na gagawin. And then I do this ritual where I walk. I like to walk around BGC para, alam mo yung ginagawa ng mga nagka-climb ng mountain, nagka-acclimatize sila. Parang I like to breathe in the air of the theater. Kung sa CCP nagja-jogging ako sa CCP. Kung sa BGC, yung sa Maybank Theater, naglalakad ako doon. Tapos parang gusto ko lang makita yung mga tao. Nakikita rin nila ako na this is my
rich.
home.
Ako naglakad ako sa BGC, dilapitan ako ng guard eh.
Yung mga guards sa
ginagawa
Maybank,
mo?
ang bait
Ginagawa mo
nila
dito,
sa
sir?
akin.
Sir, parang familiar kayo, sir. Nakita ko sa TV Patrol, Sabi sa akin ganun.
Sabi mo ako yung nakapaskil dyan sa poster.
May dala akong flyer. So, tinuturo ko na nga eh. Sabi niya, oo. Pero,
kasi ulo mo lang yung nandun, baka di nila mag-gets.
nakaka-open ba yun? Yung parang, mas gwapo ka pala sa personal kaysa sa TV.
Yung
Hindi ko
mom
alam
ko,
kung-
totally na-offend siya. Nung one time na may nagsabi sa kanya nun, sabi niya talaga, alam mo ba, ikaw una nagsabi sa akin yan. Asha Padilla yan.
Na mas maganda siya sa personal?
Oo. Ikaw pa lang nagsabi sa akin na mas maganda ako sa TV. Hindi, baliktad.
Oo.
Yan.
So, nang hiram siya ngayon ng mukha. Hiram.
May isang umagang hindi mo hahagkan. I'm sure may parating na pera
Di ba
yan.
pang ano yan? Kay, pang other woman na kanta?
Mistress, yeah.
Diba? Papatuloy mo para may... O yan.
Sa simula sinabi mong walang matitiyak. Thank you so much. I'm sure may parating na pera.
Yung mga pinakamatinding yung talagang, di ba? May matinding lyrics dun sa part na yon. Di ba? Ako'y tao
Ibang
lang.
song yata yung kinanta
Ay,
ko.
sorry.
Magkapareho sila eh. Diba? And then nasa start. Pareho kasi silang may diba, kaya nakakalito.
Bo. Bobo.
Tama. Hindi. Kanta niya rin yan.
Oo nga, pero ano yun? Anong title nun?
Kahit hiram. Yung may matinding lyrics o matinding vibrato.
Diba? Ako'y tao lang na nadadara.
Naramdaman mo yan, ano?
At natutokso din. May aalis mo ba sa'kin?
Na matutuhan kang mahalin. Sa
Oo,
bawat
ayun ang hiram.
sandali.
Ikaw iba pala yung kinanta mo eh. Ikaw yung
Hiram
ibang kinanta.
natin. Oo
I-connect
nga.
naman natin. Ikaw yung ibang kinanta. Ako yung hiram.
Oo, bakit? Bakit ako aamin na mali ako? Ako yung anak niya, 'di ba? Sino ka ba sa buhay ng nanay
Ano
ko?
kayo ngayon? Diba?
Mama ko yun. Mama mo yun? Sabihin nila, asa na tayo? 89.9 ba to?
Your mama. Okay, may natawag.
At dahil doon, dito tayo nag-break.
Yeah. Mag-break pa ba tayo? Babalik tayo kay? Gusto mo ba?
Hindi na. Kailangan ko
Hindi mo
na
na kaya?
umalis. Pupunta na ako sa BGC.
Ako kaya ko pa sana. So, magpaalam na tayo.
Kaya ni Kuya Mel. Shout out kay Kuya Mel. Nakasama ko dito ngayon.
Maraming salamat kay
Ay,
Kuya Mel
mag-breakfast
Pascal.
tayo. Next week. Hindi. Next week.
Oo.
Nasa ano pala ako abroad next week.
Yan, maraming salamat
Libre
again.
natin si Kuya Mel.
For ano tayo? Mag-extra ba tayo? Kailangan natin maayos na extra. Okay, i-spills ba ako? Magra-write ako ng spills natin?
Yeah. Isip ka. From
Okay. Maraming
from your
salamat
brain.
po for staying with us kahit wala po dito yung aming main man, the Mo Twister.
No, but
And
you
for
know what was
Sampo.
so sweet? One day he said, this is our show.
Yan.
Our time. It's showtime. Oy, may nagpadala na naman ng pera. Alam ba to ng boss natin? Hi, sir, I do. May pera kami. Hindi ko alam kung nakikita mo to. Medyo malaki
Alam mo, sasabihin ni Kay, aalis na siya, pero abutin mo alas 7 dito. Ako pa yung parang gusto mag-extra.
I think this is what she called the Filipino long goodbye. It
kaya
is
nga may maganda yung French
customary
exit. No?
for any Filipino to say goodbye 100 times before they actually leave the premises.
Uy, kinabahan ako. Nag-message si Ann. Ann Hison pala. Kala ko Anders Achong ko. Hison pala.
Kinilig ka. Hey, Jet, thank you for the 1.89 pounds. Pounds ba yan?
Oh
my
pounds
God.
yan. Mga 7. Ay, mga 100 plus yun.
I'm so touched by all this money.
Yan. Talaga? Okay?
I have not received this much money.
Sa atin
Just for
pupunta yan,
talking.
Kay.
I
Playback
think,
ata eh.
yeah, it's fine. Mo will buy something for my Lola. You know?
Alam naman natin.
Oh, ito, $4.99 from
Ito,
Mike
medyo matindi na to.
MD, Dr. Mike. Thank you.
250 plus na to. 200 plus na to. Nag-Mike.
Employee of the week, Alex and Kirill.
Yung Australian
Yeah,
US
boy.
dollars na 8. Yung Australian dollars na 8. Hindi ko alam magkano palitan ngayon. 8 times ano ba? 4. Ano ba ngayon?
Amari, 99 pesos.
Oh, yung 99 pesos, medyo wag ka na muna sumabay doon sa Australian saka sa
Hindi, yun din naman yun eh. I just want to say thank you for all the money gifts, and I think it should go to the employee of the week. That's how we end the episode. Diba
Sino mag-employee of the week?
today is Thursday. Dahil nandito tayong dalawa and everyone
We
is
are.
saying it's us. Okay, we have to do the roll. Brrrr. I don't memorize the spiel.
For being the good, for being the exemplary. Tagalogin natin bilang isa sa mga masisipag, maayos, at magagaling na empleyado ngayong linggo.
AKA yung mga present.
Yung mga nandito lamang na umalis na nga yung amo at natira pa rin at kanilang dedikasyon, pagmamahal at sakripisyo sa programang Good Times. Ang Employee of the Week ay binibigay.
Inihahandog.
Handog. Kana. Okay. 3 ari Yuson.
Okay, ayusin mo. 3 hari ako
3 ari sabi ko. Nawala
Ano yan? Ano yan? 3 hari. Like kings. And
3 ari at Alex Calleja.
congratulations! Hindi ako marunong. Bakit ganun yung sound? Brrrr. Congrats! congratulations. As Employee of the Week, I would like to take all the money and share it with my co-winner, Alex Calleja.
Maraming salamat, Kay.
Ang galing! Ganito pala manalo. This is my third win.
Oo nga, this is my
At dahil dyan, nagkaroon pa tayong dagdag. May $6.99 pang humabol.
Anong currency?
Dollars. Oh, may nagpadala din. 99 pesos.
May 99. Guys, wag muna kayo sumabay yung 99.
No, every little bit counts. So thank you. I mean, I appreciate this. And because we have, pero nabawasan tayo ng mga 100 na nanonood. So thank you to our 762 watchers on playback. And thank you to everyone who called today for my first couple of calls. Thank you, Kuya Mel. Midnight Love.
You wanna come tomorrow?
Wala tayo bukas Friday, bro.
Yan, ako. Maraming salamat po. Nag-enjoy naman kami ni Kay. Si Kay naman kasi matagal na kayo magkasama niyan sa Showtime.
Yeah.
For those who don't know, since 20.
Oh my gosh, and since I'm here, maybe we can play my song to end the show. I think I may have a song in the playlist. Wala kayong choice. Wala kayong choice.
Yes.
And there's just so much green and purple hearts.
Oo.
Keep
paying. Tayo mag-stay kasi Thursday to, Kay. Last day ng Good Times for the Week. Ayaw naman natin iwan yung mga tao na ganyan-ganyan. So,
ikaw
alam niyo,
na.
maraming support.
My appointment is 9.
Kaya nga, maraming salamat sa support. Kaya hindi, alis naman tayo. Kanina pa nga ako extra. Ikaw lang tayo nagtatagal-tagal eh. Yan, maraming salamat sa lahat ng nakinig sa atin ngayon for this Thursday episode. This is Alex Calleja. Thank you for always supporting our projects and our shows and our mga kalokohan here. And always remember, catch a good times because it's good vibes. And happy lang. And don't judge us for what we are saying here. Judge us for who we are. Sana nabulol pa. Okay, Kay, saan na punta?
Dahil wala kayong no choice, we will leave you with my song. This is Karel with Fine.
This is Alex Calleja.
Thank you.
Good times.